Yo, Vortex, what's good? Yo, feeling. What we doing, man? What we doing? What are we doing? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I think that name looked familiar. Look at my videos popping up. You know what videos I like to watch? What if? What was Earth like
Step back 2 billion.
2 billion years ago? What was Earth like 2 billion years ago?
Into Earth's evolution.
Yeah.
A time full of life, but also mass extinction. An invisible killer was on the loose, ready to change the course of history. This was a time on Earth that had direct impact on what the world's like today. The animals that inhabit it, the food that we eat, and the air we breathe. Would you be able to survive in this new environment? And how did almost all life come to an end during this time? Time to go back 2 billion years ago. Welcome to Earth 2 billion years ago. You're landing at a time when Earth is about halfway to its current age. Now, as you make your descent towards this prehistoric Earth, you'll see blobs of land and maybe some chunks of ice separated by water. These land masses look nothing like our continents today, but that's gonna change soon. As your time machine touches down, it's a bleak and rocky landscape. There are no plants, no trees, no vegetation at all. No signs of any animals.
Let me pay attention.
This was a time before complex multicellular
I could
life.
learn something today, huh?
The only living things on Earth were microorganisms. Yeah, it might sound a little dull, but at least there are no predators you need to worry about. I hope. Before you step out on the ground, you better put on your suit that's fitted with oxygen tanks, because while there is oxygen in the air, there isn't enough for you to breathe comfortably. It's less than 10% of today's oxygen levels. When Earth was first formed, there was only carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor in the air. But more on that in a minute. As you step out, you look into the water surrounding you. It's completely still, and there are no fish swimming in it, but it's filled with a ton of green, slimy stuff. What you're looking at is a whole lot of cyanobacteria, one of the most important bacteria ever to live on Earth. Cyanobacteria are responsible for the air we breathe, but they were also responsible for the most massive extinction event of all time.
What?
Flashback about 500 million years. To see how this extinction event happened, we need to skip back in time even further, another 500 million years. This time when you land, you'll definitely need your oxygen mask because there's zero oxygen in the air. The Earth will look a lot different from what you're used to, but there will be some familiar building blocks that are still on our planet today. It's wild to think that some things that have played a critical role in our history and will be so important for our future have been a part of our planet for billions of years. Take uranium, for example. Uranium is a naturally occurring element formed during the early stages of the universe, and it's been a part of our planet since the beginning. According to our resident experts at Uranium Royalty Corporation, just one pellet of refined uranium, about the size of your fingernail, packs about as much energy as 149 gallons of oil. That's some serious power.
Hell yeah.
This kind of energy is more important than ever in today's
That's Energon.
world. We're facing an energy demand surge, just like in the 20th century, but in a much shorter time, thanks to artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, and even cryptocurrencies. If every car in the US went electric, we'd need 20 to 50% more electricity nationwide. And we can't just do it with renewable energy alone. Right now, renewables make up only 13% of US energy consumption. Solar panels don't work at night, and wind turbines only spin about 35% of the time. Meanwhile, nuclear plants,
Hell yeah, I drink my milk. That should be
they're cranking
good.
out energy more than 90% of the time. Nuclear energy is a low-emission, high-capacity solution to our energy challenges, but it's often misunderstood and underestimated. Thankfully, our friends at Uranium Royalty Corporation are working to change that. They're the first and only publicly traded
What would y'all do if
pure-play
y'all
royalty
found
business in the uranium sector.
some kind of rock
What does
that
that
had
mean?
that much energy?
Well, it means they don't own
I'll take
or
it to the
operate
damn,
uranium mines.
I don't know,
Instead,
somewhere where they can give me money
invest in
for
them
it.
and
Then
secure
I'll
a
just leave.
percentage of what's produced. Their portfolio spans 19 royalties across key uranium-producing regions, including Cigar Lake, one of the largest and highest-grade uranium deposits on Earth. With the growing need for clean, reliable energy, Uranium Royalty Corporation is ready for the coming surge in demand. If you want to be part of the solution and maybe make a smart investment, well, click on the link in the description to learn more. Now,
Boy.
speaking of things that have existed for billions of years, let's talk about bacteria. Just like today, it was causing some big issues back then, too. Let's travel back to Earth about 2.5 billion years ago to see what I mean. Like the calm before the mass extinction event, everything looks great on Earth. Our young sun is a bit dimmer, even a little bit cooler,
Sun?
but temperatures on Earth are balmy, around 21 degrees Celsius. There's plenty of liquid water, but no ice. The carbon dioxide and methane in the atmosphere are driving a greenhouse effect. The only life that's around is in the water, and again, I'm not talking about fish. It's all single-celled organisms like bacteria, which were living in very different circumstances, like the zero oxygen environment you're standing in right now. But this water isn't only filled with boring bacteria, it's now filled with cyanobacteria. This bacteria evolved with a special trait, the ability to use water as a fuel to photosynthesize. And with this trait, it was able to produce oxygen. The cyanobacteria began to change the chemistry of Earth's atmosphere. As bigger and bigger colonies of cyanobacteria photosynthesized, they produced more and more oxygen. Now, this didn't result in much at the start, as much of the oxygen being produced would react with minerals and get removed from the environment. But fast forward a few 100 million years, and things start to change drastically. Now, so much oxygen is being produced that it can't be removed fast enough. It oxygenates the water, it escapes into the air, it reacts with methane and displaces it from the atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is filling up with oxygen and becoming breathable. But don't take off that mask just yet. The oxygen level is still only 20 to 40% of what it is today.
Oh,
Maybe
Lord.
even lower, but this level is obviously much higher than the near zero level Earth had before. So, how do the other bacteria react to this new level of oxygen? Well, you can't see it happening
What the
because
fuck?
they're microscopic, but
cucumbers?
they're dying off in huge numbers. This is the Great Oxidation Event, also known as the biggest extinction event in Earth's history. The oxygen being created turned out to be pure poison for other bacteria,
What the
killing
f-
off 99% of all life on Earth. And
It was crazy
this
on
isn't
Earth,
the
wasn't it?
only catastrophic event happening. This massive amount of oxygen in the atmosphere is about to have a big impact on something else. The cyanobacteria is creating oxygen, but it's also wiping out two greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide and methane. These two gases played a key role in the evolution of Earth up until now. They help trap the sun's energy, keeping the planet warm. With both of these elements being removed and oxygen taking their place, it's starting to get very, very cold. Over hundreds of millions of years, you'd see massive changes in the landscape. The oceans are freezing. Sheets of ice are covering Earth. Brown and rocky land is now turning snow white. One of the earliest ice ages has begun. This is the start of the Huronian glaciation. It'll last
fuck?
about 200 million years.
Huh?
Throughout this time, you'll see Earth go through 3 glaciations. No part of the planet is spared. The continents, the poles, even at sea level. It's all ice all the time. Now, all life
That's
on
crazy,
Earth has
bro.
already taken a severe beating, and these chilly conditions aren't doing much to help. Neither the oxygen nor the deep freeze are doing any good for the survival of our older microbes. But somehow, a small sliver of life, just around 1% of the living, persists over these 200 million years. No, sorry you can't see them. They're still microscopic and living in rare parts of the Earth. They're just hanging on, waiting for the ice to thaw.
That's wild.
Wow, look at you, time traveling everywhere. You're quite the explorer. You know, if you want to explore even more, well, you should check out the What If Explorers Club on Patreon. There you'll find ad-free videos, get a chance to contribute story ideas like this one, and more. But our Explorers Club is in the present day, and right now, you're 2 billion years in the past, at a pretty significant turning point in history. A whole slew of exciting things are about to happen that will transform the face of Earth, both physically and biologically. Volcanoes are erupting, the ice is melting, a new continent is forming, and life is making a comeback.
When was our last continental drift?
Geological processes started, beginning a transformation and ending the ice-covered Earth. Let's go through them. The sun is a little bit warmer now than when we flashed back the extra 500 million years, but maybe you noticed the sun is also looking a little bit brighter. Well, this is because the sun's luminosity increases at the rate of about 1 degree Celsius every 100 million years. So now the sun is 5 degrees warmer. But this warmer sun by itself is not what melted the ice sheets. A second natural phenomenon is now playing a role. It's typically known for causing mass destruction and extinctions, but at this point in history, it's shaping the continents and saving the Earth. I'm talking about volcanoes. Although Earth was just covered with significant amounts of ice, under the crust, it remains hot and molten. Plate tectonics are starting to change things deep below the surface. A giant surge of volcanic activity is happening.
Oh, hell no.
Powerful
Be right back,
whirlpool
all right.
currents of lava deep in the
Might roll
mantle
up.
can no longer be suppressed. Magma is swelling up under the Earth and breaking through in a series of volcanic eruptions. These explosive conditions will continue for another 300 million years.
What the?
The small separate land masses that you saw as your time machine descended are being pulled together by this volcanic activity to form the first supercontinent, Nuna. Fast forward to today, and you'd be standing in Colombia. The volcanoes are also causing a remarkable transformation of Earth's atmosphere. This will affect the climate, making it much warmer. Now, this change might seem catastrophic at first, but it's going to give life on Earth another chance. That's because these volcanic eruptions are spewing water vapor and carbon dioxide into the air, and there's no microbial life to remove the carbon dioxide yet, so more and more of it is accumulating, trapping heat and making Earth hotter. With this new heat, the ice sheets are melting away. This volcanic action is still affecting us today. The lava spewing from the volcanoes eventually helped turn carbon into diamonds. In fact, most natural diamonds today can be traced back to this era. So take a moment to think about this cataclysmic event 2 billion years ago on your wedding day. But this isn't all that's happening. Over in Africa, another massive event is occurring. Nature's first nuclear reactor. Now, you're probably wondering how you could possibly get a nuclear reactor going on Earth. After all, don't you need a concentration of radioactive material? Well, yes you do. And this is what that pocket of Earth had. During its formation, Earth had accumulated bits of uranium from interstellar dust. This uranium was created by supernovas as stars died and exploded. Over hundreds of millions of years, microbial activity concentrated this uranium, and tectonic activity had it buried deep inside of Earth. 2 billion years ago, the right set of circumstances came together. A nuclear fission reaction began in the concentrated uranium. Uranium is naturally radioactive, so it decays over time. It splits to release neutrons. Like one domino hitting another, these neutrons in turn hit other uranium atoms,
neutrons.
which slit, and this causes a chain reaction, creating this natural nuclear reactor. This natural process might have important lessons for humans today. burning fossil fuels is making climate change worse.
Why did a ghost just close my
pressure is
door?
on to explore other sources of energy.
Sit your ass down back there.
fission. But one of the challenges has always been how to store nuclear waste safely. It's possible that by studying this uranium mine, we could learn something useful. All these processes are working to warm up the Earth. The warming sun,
What's up, bro? What up? What it do?
Volcanoes, and in this
What you on,
particular
bro? What's
spot,
going on?
Earth's very own nuclear reactor. As temperatures rise,
Rolling up this blunt.
water is becoming more prevalent than ice, and the landmass of Nuna is shrinking. One more important thing is happening right now. You can't see a lot of it without a microscope.
Nah, the door
but
just shut, man. I don't know what the
1% of
fuck.
Microorganisms that made it through the ice age are wiggling their toes, metaphorically speaking, and starting to thrive. New life evolved.
Yeah, sit down
through the
somewhere, sit.
oxygen-rich ice age.
Fucking look at me.
Microorganisms evolved that took in oxygen to burn food.
You roll up your ghost
release
blunt and your
carbon
ghost
dioxide in the
weed.
process.
You ain't hitting
The
mine.
carbon dioxide released
You
is then used
can't
by the
hit my
cyanobacteria
weed,
to
bitch.
produce more oxygen. This was happening at a
No cap.
microscopic level. Today, it happens with all kinds of different creatures. Now, humans and animals breathe in oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon
I breathe in
dioxide,
oxygen through my big ass
photosynthesize, and
nose.
release oxygen. So, the cyanobacteria was one of the original building blocks for all life today. But the oxygen didn't just power up microbes. During the long ice age, it began to form a protective layer in the upper atmosphere of the Earth, the ozone layer. This protected new life from ultraviolet radiation. Practically speaking, it expanded the real estate of Earth. Microbial life could now
Yo,
live
we
on
learning science
thin
today, bruh.
films of water protected from
I enjoy
radiation
shit like this.
and
Yo,
use the
bro.
sun's energy to
The
photosynthesize.
videos where they be finding crystals and shit.
You know what? I just remembered I packed a special microscope in the
I
time
don't, I
machine.
don't know how they do it. I'm not ready
Sorry,
to
we
go
could've used
digging
it
through no
though.
Minecraft
But
rock.
you can use it to take a better
real
look
life.
now at how cellular life is evolving. At this point in history, cells are changing to become more complex with a distinct nucleus. This will allow the first plants to borrow traits from the cyanobacteria, which allows them to photosynthesize. So
It ain't called bacteria, it's called
thank these
shitteria.
microorganisms for the creation of all plant life we have today. Without photosynthesis, plants just wouldn't exist. Other creatures began to form during this time too. Scientists have unearthed fossils of
I'm spanking the hell out this blunt right now.
These
Got
are
some
sea
funnel.
creatures with soft,
Oh yeah, sheets and
gelatinous
funnel tonight. I'm
bodies,
about to be
becoming
high and
of
ugly.
different sizes, some as long as 17 centimeters long. At the time, they probably burrowed into the mud of rivers. These particular creatures survived while oxygen concentrations were high, but later disappeared, leaving no direct descendants. Rest in peace, little guys. Their complex multicellular life is the basic blueprint for all multicellular life today. Plants, humans, animals, fungi. Even the algae from this time didn't disappear completely. They're preserved in beautiful rocks called stromatolites. And if you're
Rolling
ever
up
in the
a
mood
big
to see
toe. Yeah, that's
2
enough.
billion-year-old rocks,
Spank.
pay a visit to the Belcher Islands in Hudson Bay, Canada. Geological and biological events from 2 billion years ago are the key to life on Earth today. The oxygen we breathe, chlorophyll in the plants we eat, the beginnings of our complex multicellular
You still on the
existence,
ghost?
not to mention the protective ozone layer.
That ghost gonna get
Who
your ass.
knows? Maybe the past holds the key to our future. Maybe cyanobacteria could gobble up carbon dioxide and even save us from the climate crisis we're in today. As you head back to your modern day Earth, it makes you wonder, what will life look like 1 billion years in the future?
I don't know.
Let's check out one of my favorite episodes we've done exploring this scenario. If you traveled 10,000 years into the future, what would planet Earth look like?
Me.
Would most of its surface be covered in
My fucking
volcanoes?
fingers, bro. I hate when they leave.
Or would it be frozen in ice?
No.
What if you traveled even further to 1 million years in the future? Would all of the oceans have evaporated? Or would it have become one giant water world? Okay, now.
Oh, what up, Josh?
about
What the?
1
Your house
billion
haunted.
years?
What?
would there be any humans left? Or
No.
would they have settled in other parts of the galaxy?
Me.
This is What If. And here's what would happen if you traveled 1 billion years into the future. Let's face it, the chances of any humans being around to greet you when you arrive 1 billion years into the future are pretty low. Several key existential threats face the human race, and if we want to be around in 1
that's
billion
scary.
years, we'll need to endure them all. We've
I'd have
seen
got up
how
out
much
of there,
we've
bro.
struggled to come together just to survive a global pandemic. So how do we have any chance of enduring the threats
I
of
can't stay
climate
nowhere haunted. I
change,
think it is haunted here,
overpopulation,
maybe.
global nuclear war, killer asteroids and comets, natural ice ages, and the sun getting a whole lot hotter? Well, let's take a look into the future and find out. Just under 10,000 years from now, we're going to run into a big problem called the Deca Millennium Bug. In the year 10,000 AD, software encoding the AD calendar year won't encode dates with
How you know
more than
that?
4
What the
decimals.
fuck?
Remember,
Y'all see
calendar
that?
year won't
Look at that date. Yo. That's wild.
Code dates with more than 4 decimals. Remember Y2K? Yeah, it's just like that, except hopefully we won't panic as much this time around. On the bright side, in 10,000 years, genetic differences and traits between humans will no longer be regional.
You gonna run?
Traits like skin and hair color will be evenly distributed around the world. Maybe that will help us all get along. Finally. 20,000 years into the future, none of the current languages will be recognizable.
What?
Future languages will only contain 1% of the core vocabulary words of their present-day counterparts.
Hell no. So what we gonna say?
50,000 years from now,
That's how we gonna talk.
for the Earth, which will start a new ice age.
What?
Niagara Falls will have eroded into Lake Erie completely. And interestingly, a full day on
Oh, that
Earth
was your girl?
will also
Good.
increase by
You better go
1
hit that.
second at this point in time. So much more time for activities. In 250,000 years, the Loihi volcano will rise above the water to form a new island in Hawaii. And in 500,000 years, it's likely that an asteroid with a diameter greater than 1 kilometer will hit Earth, unless
Oh,
we can
hell no.
prevent it.
I'm not
The
gonna be
resulting
here.
crater will be no less than 400 kilometers across. It will start fires all over the planet and make the air unbreathable. So there's something to look forward to.
We're
And
done.
in case that's not enough, in 1 million years, we'll likely have another supervolcano eruption, large enough to spew out 3,200 cubic kilometers of ash. It would produce enough lava to fill 75% of the Grand Canyon. This would be similar to the Toba eruption that almost wiped out humanity 70,000 years ago.
Oh, fuck us.
Oh,
Was
and
we even
the
born 70,000 years? Oh, no.
Nearby
Well, I
star
wasn't.
Betelgeuse will have exploded into a supernova by this time, making it visible from Earth even during the daytime. In 2 million AD,
That's
humanity
crazy.
will have settlements throughout the
Yo, this shit
solar
is
system.
interesting, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Also means that
I be
if
watching this shit. When I don't got no
populations on
motivation to
different
record
planets
gaming
have
videos, I be
remained
sitting back
separate,
just learning shit.
humans may have evolved into other species adapted
Oh, hell no. What we gonna look like, Avatar?
to their specific
Nah.
world.
No.
In
I better
10
stay
million
brown.
years, a huge part of eastern Africa will break off, forming a new ocean basin.
How they know this shit?
In 50 million years, Africa will collide with Eurasia, closing off
What?
the Mediterranean Sea, and a new mountain range will form between the two land masses.
Nah.
This mountain range may include a mountain taller than Mount Everest. out in space, Mars will collide with its moon,
No.
resulting in it developing a ring system like Saturn's. In 60 million years, the Canadian and American Rockies will have eroded entirely. In 80 million years,
All right, bet the government
all
plans it.
Hawaiian Islands will be below the water.
I believe it.
In 100 million years, an asteroid similar to the one that killed the dinosaurs 66 million years ago will likely hit Earth.
What?
One that is 10 kilometers wide.
Oh fuck no, I'm not gonna be here.
250 million years, all of Earth's continents will be fused together like Pangea. Except
No.
this time, it will be called Pangea Ultima. But don't get too attached to it, because in 400 to 500 million years,
They'll
Pangea
separate.
Ultima will separate again.
Again. Why do they do this? Why they keep making us have continental drifts? You know how scary that shit is? Y'all watch Ice
In
Age?
500 to 600 million years, a gamma ray burst will likely occur within 6,500 light
What
years
the-
from Earth. If it strikes Earth, it could damage the ozone layer and trigger a mass extinction.
What?
600 million years from now, the moon will be so far from Earth that total solar eclipses will no longer be possible.
Wow.
And the sun's increasing luminosity will have raised temperatures on Earth so much that it could halt plate tectonics movement. In 800 million years, carbon dioxide
Bro, I'm
levels will
curious.
drop dramatically and photosynthesis will no longer be possible.
What a
Free
Oh,
oxygen
fuck no.
and ozone will disappear from the atmosphere, and complex life on Earth will die. And finally, in 1 billion years, the sun's luminosity will have increased by 10%, and the average temperature
Yeah,
on
we're
Earth
done.
will be
We're fucking
47
dead.
degrees Celsius.
Oh no.
Our atmosphere will feel like a damp greenhouse, and our
damn
oceans
greenhouse?
will evaporate, leaving
I don't
just
wanna die.
pockets of water at each of the poles.
Yo, we ain't gonna have nothing to drink. We ain't gonna have nothing to drink. And nothing to swim in. I can't swim, so y'all can have the water. But to drink it,
When
y'all gotta
you
save me
arrive
some.
here
Fuck
in your
that.
time machine, be mentally prepared to take in a planet Earth that looks nothing like the one you remember.
Bro.
The human race will be gone,
Run. Where are you gonna go?
hopefully living its best life on some other far-off planet. Because of the intense heat, lack of water, and lack of breathable air,
This song making it sad.
will be uninhabitable. So you probably shouldn't stay too long. Okay, with Earth in a less desirable position, let's jump even further ahead in time.
Fuck
a time
no.
where humanity has conquered the entire
You're gonna be
universe.
smoking moon rock on the
See
moon.
what
Yo, you're
happens.
gonna die up there. Yeah. Moon rock on the moon is crazy.
If we become
Yo.
a Type 7
I'm gonna smoke Reggie on Mars.
civilization. In the future, humans may no longer have a need for physical forms.
What?
We'll be able to explore different multiverses and manipulate
What's up, bro? What's
time
up?
itself. These are just a few of the perks of a Type 6 civilization.
Yo, the future gonna look like that. Don't cut yourself trying to walk into somebody's house. If the house is like this, man, this shit, that's a Transformer Island, bro.
A few
That's
of the
Cybertron.
perks of a Type 6
You gonna be with an AR? Yeah, I'm gonna have an AR too.
What
They got
would
shit
your
talking about
day-to-day life be like?
Yeah, what would this be
How
like?
far will technology have to advance?
You're gonna have an AR on the moon.
And would all this advancement really be worth it? This
No.
is What If, and here's what would happen if humanity became a Type 6 civilization. Okay, let's
What?
kickstart our climb up the ladder of civilization, otherwise known as the Kardashev scale. Named after the astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev, this scale measures the advancement of a society based on its ability to harness different amounts of
All right, y'all not putting no chip in my head or my hand that's gonna make my eyes glow up now. I don't need that. You hear me?
energy.
School bus.
Today,
Okay.
we're a measly
Y'all gonna have a school bus on the moon.
civilization. And if we were to make the first leap on the scale up to a Type 1, we'd need to harness all the energy resources available to us on Earth. Going up to a Type 2,
Super Saiyan.
we'd extend our metaphorical extension cord all the way out to the sun. And that would mean much more than just collecting the solar power that reaches Earth. We'd be harnessing all the energy of the sun and the solar system. Now, at the third stage, Type 3, humanity would now have the ability to control
Bitch, I'm high.
all the energy available to us from the billions of stars and black holes in our galaxy.
Yo, we vibing tonight.
This might seem crazy enough, but we're just getting started. Once we become Type 4 and Type 5 civilizations, humanity would be able to control all the power available to us throughout the entire universe and beyond. And what comes next seems even more impossible to comprehend. Looking at what would happen if we became a Type 6 civilization requires you to fundamentally transform what you think you understand about the nature of reality. At this point,
No
we
way.
wouldn't just be manipulating energy and matter, but also the fabric of space and time. And we wouldn't just be controlling multiple universes, we would be able to create or destroy entire universes at will.
What?
You would have godlike powers at your fingertips.
Man, get the fuck.
Time would no longer be something we'd think
What?
of as flowing in only one direction. Instead of looking at it like a river, it would now be a sea that we could jump in and explore freely.
Will
You could
Smith.
travel back in time to witness the birth of stars, the formation
No way.
of galaxies, and the very creation of the universe.
No way.
And it would be as fast and simple as blinking your eyes.
No
If
way.
you could control time and create your own universes, then of course you could determine exactly what happens in them as well. So
Man.
in your universal sandbox, there could be one world where you are the supreme leader, another with all kinds of animals that have never existed, and maybe one where money really does grow on trees.
Get the fuck out of
Money
here.
would mean anything to you. With this enormous and purely theoretical amount of power, what would it even mean to be human anymore?
You
Well,
wouldn't
first
be.
of all, you'd look pretty different.
Man.
Wouldn't have much use for your body anymore. But with the technology of a Type 6 civilization, you could equip your body with all the most incredibly advanced artificial intelligence tools imaginable. But that's just the beginning. You might exist as pure energy and consciousness without flesh and bone. You could take on whatever form you desire.
Get the fuck out of here.
You and every other human would truly be gods. However, being this advanced would bring up a handful of ethical dilemmas. For one, if you were omnipotent, you'd have to develop new social skills with all the other omnipotent beings of the universe.
Ew.
Keeping secrets would be pretty much impossible. And no doubt, as you navigated through multiple universes, you'd come across at least a couple of civilizations that would be much less advanced than ours. There would need to be some sort of protocol on how to engage with them in a humane way. Especially if you could create and destroy universes at will. This would be a great power that truly requires great responsibility. You'd be able to design new life forms from scratch and guide them through their evolution, just as
No.
our species once experienced. If you were to wipe those same species out in an instant, well, it would raise enormous moral questions. And there's probably one other burning question on your mind. If you were so powerful, what would be the purpose of your life? Well, that's one thing we'll just have to wait to find out when we reach this height on the civilization scale.
Man.
And then there's always the next step, like becoming a Type 7 civilization. But that's a story for another.
What if you spent 5 seconds in the
Are you
Mariana
serious?
Trench?
the pressure, but yeah, I can hear cracking. Everywhere. Hey all, it's Chase, back to life again.
I am not watching this cartoon shit. What if you ate a burger on the moon?
You know what's the best thing about Earth? Fast food. I know it's not the healthiest
Bro, you
option,
steady
but
popping up.
it's
I don't
not so
want to.
good for you.
What if you fell
Do you
into
see
Jupiter?
that? Well, obviously not. You're looking at me. But that's Jupiter. And guess what? Nobody knows exactly what it's made of. But today, we're gonna fix that. Because I'm jumping
You better be the
straight
best
in.
teacher today. Yo,
Would you like me to pull the information I have on Jupiter's composition?
No, not now, Rico. Okay, so there are some things we do know about Jupiter. For example, the fact that it has 5 layers. Rico seems to think I won't make it past the 3rd one, but I'm gonna prove that silly robot wrong. I mean, I have to, because once I get to that last layer, it's gonna make me rich, baby. Space rich. And all the while, I'll be filming some epic, never before seen footage for you guys.
Gonna die.
Nothing can go wrong. Ow. Okay, we're heading off to Jupiter in a bit. I just have to refuel first. Rico, was there no other moon to make a pit stop? Ganymede is like so freezing out here. It's like a minus 130 degrees.
damn.
Despite its sub-zero temperatures, Ganymede is an optimal landing choice, as it is the only moon in the solar system with its own magnetic field.
Fine, well, Jupiter has the answer to my refueling problems forever, so long as I get to its mystery core.
Yo, he ready to crash.
It's true that we don't know for sure what Jupiter's core is made of, but we do know that Jupiter is the largest and oldest planet in our solar system. It has more than
Shit.
twice the mass of
God
all the
damn. What the
planet
fuck?
in our solar system. It has more than twice the
Man. What the fuck? Jupiter would step on our shit. Jupiter would, yo, here, Jupiter will pull up with that AR and knock our shit loose. Boom. Bruh. Can't believe these.
mass of
Look at
all
that
the
shit.
other planets combined. And with a radius of 70,000 kilometers, it's 11 times wider than Earth.
Man, that's fucking
This
wild.
planet is also a gas giant made up of the leftovers from the formation of the Sun 4.5 billion years ago. Visiting Jupiter would be nearly impossible because it's almost 800 million kilometers away. That's over 600 times the distance from Earth to the Moon. While we've sent robotic probes to explore its mysteries, sending humans there? That's another story entirely. Right now, the biggest obstacle to reaching far-off worlds like Jupiter isn't just the distance, it's the lack of propulsion systems powerful and efficient enough for such long journeys. Current technology simply can't get us there safely. But what if we could harness cutting-edge nuclear technology to change that? Well, lucky for us, one company called Nano Nuclear Energy is already working on a solution. They're redefining what's possible with micronuclear reactors. These are compact power systems that could transform space exploration. Nanonuclear's reactors, like the Zeus solid core battery reactor and the Odin low pressure coolant reactor, are more than really cool names. They're designed to be portable, efficient, and incredibly powerful. Nanonuclear Space, a subsidiary of Nanonuclear, is exploring how this cutting-edge technology can play a role in humanity's journey to push beyond low Earth orbit. Their
What?
reactors could provide energy for spacecraft
Wait.
propulsion and human-sustaining habitats
I can get on
other
there?
planets. These compact reactors can generate between 1 and 20 megawatts of thermal energy, which can be used directly as heat or transformed into electricity. But Nanonuclear's innovation doesn't stop there. Their technology is also revolutionizing things down on Earth. The small size and portability of the Zeus and Odin microreactors make them perfect for remote communities that lack access to the central power grid. Plus, they can be deployed and removed quickly, making them perfect for disaster relief efforts. Nanonuclear is thinking big by going small.
Never seen the ghost.
They've teamed up with Everstar AI to create an AI-powered compliance solution aimed at making nuclear power safer and more efficient. And with $125 million of cash on hand, they're ready to turn their vision into reality. Clean, portable nuclear energy that can fuel our planet and even take us to the stars. Check out the link in the description to learn more about their journey.
No.
And imagine how their
I don't
technology.
wanna do
We'll just have to send Chase there.
What are we doing, Chase?
Damn, Rico! Jupiter has a massive freaking pimple!
Hell yeah.
Warning. The Great Red Spot is a high-pressure anticyclone in Jupiter's atmosphere. Winds there reach speeds of 680 kilometers per hour.
Of all the places on Jupiter,
God
the
damn.
Great Red Spot is the last place you want to fly into. It's a storm that's been raging for at least 300 years. It's a lot bigger and a lot scarier than anything you've ever experienced on Earth.
I'll
No.
just approach it hurricane style and fly right down the center. It'll be fine.
He's bugging.
This is it. First person to ever fly into Jupiter's big red hole or whatever. Here we go.
He did really good on this video.
Warning. Temperature rising rapidly. Atmospheric temperature over 1,300 degrees Celsius.
Rico, what's going on?
System overheating. Cooling system.
Oh shit.
Rico? Rico, you know I don't like pranks. Stop messing around with me, man.
You're caught.
This raging storm is so powerful, it creates sound waves that heat particles in the atmosphere and make this area 1,000 degrees hotter than the surrounding atmosphere. So, if you land here, you can count on, well, some discomfort.
Okay, I can fix this. Oh no, no.
No way. No way.
Oh gosh, okay. These winds are way too strong. You know, if I close my eyes, it kind of feels like a roller coaster. I'm having fun. This is fun.
He's
for me.
bugging. You're done.
Jupiter's clouds are mostly ammonia and water. Because the winds on Jupiter are so violent and flow in opposite directions, they shape the clouds into conveyor belts around the gas giant. Some of the clouds reach speeds of up to 500 kilometers
Fucking fuck. Man, that would blow my dumb ass to this side of the earth to that side in 5 seconds.
per hour. Not
Bruh.
that you can avoid them now, as you've already plummeted into the raging planet.
Okay, wow. It's so cold that the ammonia is freezing into ice and hitting me in the face. Cool. Ouch. Rico, please come back. If you come back, I promise I'll never be mean to you again.
He's gonna fall all the way through, bro.
Huh? Oh, finally! Rico, you can't just take a siesta in the middle of the day, okay? We're not in Spain. We're in space. Now propel me to the second layer of the atmosphere. Idiot.
Propulsion commenced.
Oh, what is that smell? Rico, did you fart?
Jupiter stinks.
Did I fart?
No one passed gas. At hotter temperatures, the ammonia in the clouds combines with the sulfide compounds to create ammonia hydrosulfide, which smells a lot like rotten eggs.
Oh, God, it smells really bad in here, Rico. Maybe
Smell like
alien
shit,
life does
shit.
exist on Jupiter, except they all died a long time ago. Or maybe somebody hotboxed Jupiter with a bunch of burning trash. Ugh.
No, it's just the ammonia hydrosulfide.
Oh, God, this sucks, Rico. Let's go to the next layer, quickly.
Depth reading. 200 kilometers below Jupiter's clouds.
Oh,
You are now in
bruh.
the outer interior. Atmospheric contents include hydrogen and helium.
Oh, Chilling with
How
some
the
pretty
fuck?
standard stuff then. Hydrogen, helium, one cool as hell guy. It's just getting a little hot.
Pressure reading 3,039.75 bars. Temperature reading 1,890 degrees Celsius.
What the?
It's so hot in here.
1,000.
Suit off, but then I die, so no thanks. Not dying like that again. I don't know how much pressure my camera can take because it's like the air, it's getting all weird and liquidy. This feels very tight in here.
Imagine 100,000 cars stacked on top of you from every direction. That's what it feels like as you approach Jupiter's interior. The pressure is so intense that even hydrogen atoms can't withstand it. Under that immense pressure, hydrogen atoms shed their electrons and form a charged, electrically conductive liquid. Think about what that can do to the atoms in a human body.
Bro,
Think about it. Think about it. I'm
You're
living
done.
it, baby, and it hurts. Ow. Rico, quick. Bing, cures for lungs being crushed by unreasonable amounts of pressure on WebMD.
No cure available.
Okay, search the Facebook comments.
Negative. If left untreated, you will experience inevitable death via liquidation.
Oh, God. Oh, I'm gonna be sick. Rico, open the space sick valve.
There is no spacesuit sick valve in this model.
What? What kind of crappy suit doesn't have a space sick valve? Ah! Oh, man. I feel really sick to my stomach.
Nausea is not a symptom of high pressure.
What?
Yeah, maybe I should have mentioned earlier that the charged liquid hydrogen paired with Jupiter's rapid rotation creates one heck of a magnetic field. It accelerates charged particles to such high energies that anyone who enters Jupiter's magnetosphere is exposed to toxic radiation immediately. Luckily, Chase's spacesuit is strong enough to delay the effects for a little while.
Ah, great. So it's a race to what'll kill me first? The pressure, the radiation, or those droning voiceovers? Luckily, I've managed to make a few upgrades to my suit along the way, so I should be able to last about another 15 more hours. Rico, let's get going. What if guy, feel free to stay behind.
Warning.
He's
You
cool.
are entering uncharted territory.
Wow, don't be mad, Rico, just because you thought I'd be dead at this point. I can't see
What would y'all do in this
Rico,
situation?
Activate the augmented sensory system.
Activating stage 1.
Well, it's nothing you can do.
And this is why I decided to come here.
Yo!
This is metallic hydrogen. If I collect enough of this stuff, I'll be richer than Jeff Bezos.
You can collect enough metallic hydrogen.
It's
to
like
power
he's
your
in water.
spaceship
What
for
the-
2 billion light years and repay all your burger debt. Leaving now would provide just enough suit resources to make it out alive. This could be your first successful mission.
Yeah, I mean, we could leave, but we're so close to the core. I'd be the first YouTuber ever. Let's just pop in for a quick check.
Unintelligent idea detected.
12. He's been in. This dude's been falling in Jupiter for 12 hours. That's half what it. Bro, that's like almost halfway around the world. But remember, Jupiter is way bigger than Earth. So he's not.
Rico, I'm so bored. Are we there yet?
Yo, shit
You've
be
been
just
sinking for 4 hours.
crazy.
You have 8 more to go.
Oh, God, I'm so bad with time management.
Also, you have less than 9 hours of suit protection left.
Well, I guess this is a good time to tell you guys to go like and subscribe. I'm trying to become the first YouTuber to explore all of space, so, you know, help your boy out. If you like and subscribe, we can go do more of these cool videos.
Approaching the planet's core. 5 minutes of suit protection remaining.
Okay, gotta
Oh.
move fast. What do we got down here? Some sort of like crazy alien life or super weapon, maybe like a Stargazer or like some crazy super material.
Detecting ice, rock, and metal.
Okay, that sounds like stuff you could find on Earth. Maybe I need a second opinion.
Jupiter's core was made over 4.5 billion years ago during the creation of our solar system. Due to the extreme pressure and temperature, the core is not a kind of hard surface you might walk on. It's pretty liquid-like.
30 seconds of suit protection remaining.
Oh
You
lord.
know what? I don't want to hear any of this negativity, Rico. Just get me out of here, okay? Activate the specialized upflow cyclone kit.
Suck not available. Suit protection failing.
Ah, the suck sucks. And why is it so hard to breathe and so hot all of a sudden?
Your suit protection is now depleted. You are now experiencing a pressure of 43,090,032 bars and a temperature of 29,095 degrees Celsius. The intense conditions are quickly crushing your lungs.
You know, you get crushed along with me, Rico. Come on.
Well, it looks like
Of course he was
pressure
gonna
won
die,
out.
but
But don't worry.
when
Chase
he's
will be
not, that's
back. Maybe next time he'll be killed by radiation poisoning. But that's a story for another What If.
What if you spent 5 seconds on Mercury?
Is a strange, hot mess of a planet. This rock is the closest one to the sun, but its surface temperatures can plummet to as low as minus 180 degrees Celsius. It has the strangest sunrises and sunsets in the entire solar system, and one day on this planet lasts about 2 years.
What the fuck?
You don't have to survive a whole day down there. We're sending our team member
One day
Chase
lasts
on a
2
mission to
years?
spend just 5 seconds on Mercury.
Yeah, wait, cause somebody do the math. If one day lasts 2 years, how long is I can't. Oh.
Huh. Mercury doesn't sound so bad. I just don't get why it's so cold. It should be flaming hot.
Detecting extreme temperature fluctuations.
Yeah, Mercury is hot and cold at the same time.
Oh.
That's because instead of a proper atmosphere, Mercury has an exosphere. And this exosphere is almost as thin as the vacuum of space. It doesn't contain enough molecules to transfer heat around the planet, and that
Wow.
means surface temperatures go from one extreme to the other. During the day, the surface is blasted by intense sunlight, and that results in severe heat, like 430 degrees Celsius.
Damn.
Then at night, all that heat gets lost in space, and the temperatures drop to minus 180
What?
degrees Celsius.
Well, at least there's no dust storms on Mercury.
Sure, there's no weather and no climate on this planet, but there are plenty of things that can kill you. Extreme heat, intense cold, lack of breathable air, severe solar radiation, and if anything goes wrong with your spacesuit, you'll be toast.
Cool.
Toast or popsicle, depending on where I
Bruh.
land. You know what? I've died way too many times to go out there without prep. Rico, fire up the Simulatoratron.
X-29 Sim on standby.
Simulatoratron. Fine. Run the thing. Find me the safest place to land, please, Rico. Chop chop.
I might have to get on
finding
there.
a perfect landing spot on
One of these
Mercury
apps.
won't be easy. Mercury is the
So I can
smallest
go to the moon.
planet in the solar system, even smaller than Saturn's moon Titan. And its terrain is just as bumpy as its temperature fluctuations. It has so many craters, cliffs, and ridges that finding a flat surface to land on will be a big if. Then, of course, there's the lack of atmosphere, which makes landing even bumpier. Without air resistance, your spaceship will be approaching the surface at a very high speed. So if you're not interested in crashing, you'll need a spaceship with a powerful propulsion system to slow you down during descent. And Mercury's proximity to the sun complicates things even more. That's because the sun's enormous
why are these
gravity
planets like
causes
that?
this planet to
And
orbit
this the only why is these planets like that? And this is the only planet that we like. Like, what?
The star on an elliptical path. That means that sometimes Mercury is closer to the sun and other times it's further away.
I mean, our planet is the only livable planet that I know of. But like, our planet is like this for a reason. And like, I'm still curious. Why? Why is this the only planet we can live on and breathe on and be, you feel me, okay on?
Oh, landing on Mercury would be like trying to hit a moving target while being pulled strongly by the sun. All the while trying to manage your speed in a place where you can't just parachute down. Yeah, it's hard. If you managed to drop down onto Mercury during its daytime, it would feel like you landed in an oven. The sun on this side of the planet is so incredibly intense that it will roast you alive.
Oh, Lord.
And Mercury's daytime lasts a long time. To be specific, one solar day on this planet goes for 176 Earth days.
Get the fuck out of here, bruh. One day is 100.
Weirdly, that's twice as long as 1 year on Mercury, as it only takes 88 Earth days to revolve around the sun. Of course, there's no way you'd last a full Mercury day. You'd cook within minutes. Now, even NASA's spacewalk suits are designed to withstand temperatures of 120 degrees Celsius. Mercury is 3.5 times more scorching than that. Your spacesuit's outer layers would start degrading within seconds. In minutes, your suit's critical systems like life support and cooling would fail, and you'd experience instant heat stroke.
Damn.
Then you'd be cooked and die.
Oh, so you're saying I could last 5 seconds on there? That's all I needed to hear. Rico, initiate landing sequence.
I don't recommend that. Your chances of returning to the ship after a 5-second walk on Mercury's daytime surface are calculating 0.012%.
Rico, oh my god, you just had to ruin all the fun every time. Okay, what are my other options?
Calculating. Try landing on Mercury's night side.
Okay.
Now, the dark side of Mercury would be freezing.
Detecting the temperature of minus 180 degrees Celsius.
Even your spacesuit's most advanced heating system wouldn't last long in this brutal environment. Within minutes, your heaters would fail and hypothermia
Lord.
would set in. Your body temperature would start dropping rapidly. In only 10 minutes, you'd be dead. And that's if nothing else goes wrong.
Yeah, landing on Mercury's night side is possible, but it would suck. Like, I wouldn't see a thing there. What's the point in going to a whole new planet if you can't enjoy the views? No, I'll take my chances with Mercury's extreme heat.
Oh, Lord.
Thank you very much.
Well, hold on. Maybe you don't have to. You could find a landing location between the two extremes. It's called the Terminator Zone.
The Terminator Zone.
Yeah, this is the zone between the day and night, and temperatures there might be bearable.
Calculating the Terminator Zone temperatures would be extremely hard. The temperature on Mercury drops to the extremes rapidly.
That's true, but this is your best shot at spending 5 seconds on Mercury. And hey, remember I mentioned the strange sunrises and sunsets on Mercury? Well, here's your chance to see them too. Mercury has a double sunrise. It's because it moves on its axis very slowly but orbits the sun very quickly. At certain points, the orbital speed becomes faster than its rotational speed. And if you were standing on Mercury at that moment, you'd see the sunrise, then stop, move back, and rise again.
Oh, cool! Double sunrise! Rico, okay, let's do this. Let's land, this time for real.
Landing complete. The temperature reading at 130 degrees Celsius.
Okay, yeah, feeling toasty, but not cooked. Another successful mission for the Astro King and his dumb sidekick Rico. Okay, so when do we get to see this double sunrise?
You must remain on Mercury's surface for a few hours to witness the retrograde sunrise.
Oh, why didn't you say that before we landed? Okay, well, I mean, it's not that bad. I could stick around here for a few hours.
I don't recommend that. The temperature will rise drastically in 3.2 hours.
Oh, God, Rico, just say 3 hours. It's fine. I'll be fine, okay? I'll stay right here next to the ship where... Ow! Okay, that rock is hot. Don't read into that.
Yo.
Nice. Rico, what was that?
A micrometeorite hit your spacesuit. You're losing oxygen.
Skay, hot. Can't breathe. Why can't I ever get hit by a macro meteorite? Why does this always take so long?
That's crazy.
I didn't
A
even
micrometeorite?
see the
What?
double sunrise. I hope. What if Guy puts it on his Patreon because I subscribed last month at the Red Giant Deer and then pitched a story where I don't die.
Fuck.
Oh, classic Chase. But don't worry, he'll be back for his next adventure. He always comes back. What adventure should we send him on next? How about something chill with a gorgeous view of Jupiter in the sky? Well, that's a story
Bruh.
for another What If.
We've already taken you to Titan, Venus, even Uranus, and there's so much more we want to show you.
What if you landed on Kepler 22b?
35 light years away from Earth, there's a world covered in liquid ocean. A world where you wouldn't die a horrible death. Probably.
Bruh. Duh.
Welcome to Kepler 22b.
Hey y'all, I've got an exciting mission to land on and explore a planet that could be Earth 2.0. What if Guy got tired of sending me to die in the solar system? So this time, I'm traveling to an exoplanet where I might actually have a chance to survive. Exoplanets are like planets in our solar system, except they orbit different stars. They're cool, but there's just one problem. Exoplanets are really far away. So your solar system is this tiny little neighborhood with planets and moons orbiting around a sun in its center. And potentially, light years away, there are billions of other tiny little neighborhoods left to be
What?
explored. Now, you might have heard of the exoplanet that I'm going to. It's called Kepler 22b. It's not that far. Okay, only 635 light years. I'll be there in no time.
Even with advanced propulsion technology, a spacecraft traveling at 20% of the speed of light would require 3,175 Earth years to reach Kepler 22b.
What the fuck?
Buzzkill. Well, luckily, I'm at a spaceport, and they have this, warp drive technology. So I'll be there in a jiff.
You won't even live
The
that
warp drive
long.
technology allows a spaceship to travel faster than light by bending space-time. The warp drive creates a bubble around the ship, moving it through space safely 99.7% of the time.
Yeah, Rico, technobabble, blah, blah, blah. Never tell me the odds, kid. Let's do this.
It's crazy, bruh.
You know, I don't need Rico to tell me about warp drive technology because I already know everything there is to know about it. And no, I didn't read the papers on it. My time's too precious. I got an excellent summary from our friends and sponsor of this adventure, SciSummary. How do you think I know? A perfect tool. Better than SciSummary. Maybe don't have the
Yo, is that really what the
Hello, Kepler.
portal looks like?
The Kepler 22 star system is a lot simpler than our solar system. It's only got one exoplanet in it. But this exoplanet, named Kepler 22b,
It looks
is
tough.
intriguing. It orbits within the star's habitable zone. And that means one important thing.
Alien civilization.
Water. It means water.
Oh.
Whenever a planet is in the habitable zone of its star, it means that the temperature is warm enough for water to remain in a liquid state instead of evaporating, like it would, say, on Venus, or freezing like it would on Mars.
Yo, so y'all
And
gonna know when it's time for us, when it's our times, because like y'all see the temperatures that be outside of space and shit, bro. So just think of it in real time. Think of a temperature around summertime that you stepped outside, you checked your phone, the highest ever that you thought, or nah, that you ain't thought, that you seen. Check your phone, man. The highest I ever seen like was at 106, 105, between 108 and shit. That's the highest I ever seen it get outside around here, bro. Like, oh Lord. So you'll know when that shit, if 120 is crazy. That's hot. So when it get about the 200 to being outside at 200, we're cooked.
Two star is
we're cooked.
almost exactly like our sun. It's a slightly smaller G-type star, which means it has a surface temperature of around 5,500 Kelvin. That's 5,200 degrees Celsius. Not
Fuck.
too bad for a distant star system. Except one thing. This exoplanet, Kepler-22b, is a lot bigger than Earth.
God damn.
I don't see how that's a problem. It's just more surface to love. I mean, sure, it might have stronger gravity or like earthquakes. Kepler quakes? But like, Earth has earthquakes too, and it's doing just fine.
The larger size of the exoplanet might indicate the presence of a thick atmosphere, leading to high surface pressure. This could result in water existing in a supercritical state, neither a true liquid nor gas, making it less suitable for life as we know it.
It's true. Scientists think Kepler-22b might be covered with a liquid ocean, but they can't be sure what that ocean is like. Your mission is to land down there and
Yo, let's see
test
what
the water
this ocean is.
and the atmosphere.
Yeah, I was just gonna,
Kepler, yo, we really got other planets,
yo.
y'all. Millions of other planets. I want to see what it's about, though, bro. Like, I'm scared I ain't going out no damn outer space. What am I doing? Hearing ghosts.
It's been almost an hour, and all I see is water. Water!
Yeah.
Everywhere water! I think I can land here. Seriously, Kepler, you are one disappointing exoplanet.
So it's a water planet. Yo, Jay. Yo, TJ, you still in here?
Give up, Rico. Wake me up if you see any land.
We gonna make some shit like this. We gotta make shit like this.
My sensors
Download,
right below us.
go on Epic Games and get Unreal Engine
Seriously? I can't even
or
take a nap.
Twin Motion.
Okay, let's land.
Yeah, he made this or what you call it. This is tough. Yo, that's Kepler. Look at the trees. They look different.
Whoa, this atmosphere is thick. Rico, give me some stats on this planet.
Kepler-22b is a super-Earth, 2.1 times larger and 9.1 times more massive than Earth. It has an orbital period of 289.9 Earth days. It also has
What?
water.
Oh,
How many Earth days?
Period of 289.9 Earth days. It also has water.
oh, does it? Does it have water? Oh God, thank you so much, Rico. You know, the atmosphere actually kind of looks breathable too. You know, this started out super annoying, but this is actually kind of cool.
Analyzing Kepler-22b atmosphere.
You do that. I'm gonna go see what's out there. here.
That would violate YouTube's terms of service.
Not if it's a music video, technically.
It looks nice out
What's
there
the
though.
temperature out here? I'm starting to feel like some warm bread in a toaster. Toasty.
The equilibrium temperature on Kepler-22b is estimated to be 22 degrees Celsius. However, my sensors pick up a much higher surface temperature.
If Kepler-22b has a thick atmosphere, it would cover the planet like a blanket, heating it up and turning it into an exoplanetary Venus. If the temperature becomes too high, all the water will turn into vapor and Kepler-22b will stop being a habitable world. On the other hand, if Kepler has no atmosphere, well, it might become a frozen world. It would be incredibly cold at night because with no atmosphere, there would be nothing to retain the heat from the day.
That sounds just like Mercury. Not my favorite planet. My favorite planet is Uranus. Yeah, Kepler-22b, it seems okay. It's a little tough to walk here.
The surface gravity on
TJ,
Kepler-22b
I know what I'm about
is
to do.
approximately 2.07 times the gravity of Earth.
Yeah, thanks. I noticed that one, Rico. Hey, have you analyzed the atmosphere yet?
Analysis in process.
Oh, so the answer was no. You're still okay.
The thick atmosphere of Kepler-22b likely contains high levels of hydrogen and helium. Those are two gases that are common on larger planets. But if there isn't any oxygen in the atmosphere, you wouldn't be able to breathe. What you should also worry about is the water. It could be
I'm about to so I just hit the record button, recorded for a couple minutes while I'm streaming. So as I'm streaming, I'm gonna upload videos. So as I react, I'm gonna upload them on this channel. Let me make sure I'm logged in. Yeah. Yes. I'm gonna upload them as I'm streaming. Fuck it. Fuck it. Definitely. Let's get it. The next one. I'm gonna do the next one. I already did this one. Fuck it.
Heavy metals.
I'm gonna record.
Exposure to the body could prove fatal.
Great. So,
I would go there, but I
Kepler
gotta have
22b,
all the
not that I
suits
can
and
drink
shit.
it. And the atmosphere's in place. And the temperature's all right. What am I missing? Where's all the life?
If life exists on Kepler, it might be microbial. You wouldn't be able to see it without special equipment.
That's crazy.
Did you hear that?
My scans are not picking up any life forms.
I gotta check this out. I just need a break first. All this walking around.
How do they know about the other planets?
I gotta sit down for a second. I just need to catch my breath.
The atmosphere analysis is not complete.
It's okay. 1 second's not gonna kill me.
Analysis complete.
Something's
The atmosphere
Oh,
caused your lungs
shit.
to collapse. as
He
a result
took his
of
helmet off.
Okay. Thank you.
Cook. Cook. Done.
It looks like the sudden increase in pressure forced the air in Chase's lungs to compress and rupture. One internal organ failure after another, and just like that, he's gone.
Damn.
But don't worry, he'll show up for his next adventure.
Wait, what?
Well, that's a story. 40 light years from us.
Hold up.
40
What if you traveled to? I don't know how to say that, but
40
okay.
light
I need for him to
years
say
from
that.
us. There's
Let's
a
do it.
world that looks a lot like Venus. Only unlike the most
Is it
sweltering
Gliese
hellish planet in
12b?
the solar system, this not so distant planet could actually be the next Earth. This world is called Gliese 12b.
Gliese 12b.
That's right, I'm venturing out of the solar system to find an exoplanet that I won't die on. And yeah, I know I've said that before, but I'm feeling much better about Gliese 12b. Way better than Kepler 22b.
Why so? He done took that. Bruh. Look like Buzz Lightyear down there, bro. He done.
I mean, it's like 595 light years closer to this solar system, and all stars and no weight make Chase a happy boy.
Estimated travel time 200 years.
Okay,
Damn.
that's longer than I expected.
Damn. Let's go to the portal. Where the portal? Oh, he took that drive. Oh, that shit pretty. That shit cute.
Location: Pisces constellation.
Yeah, so Gliese 12b orbits this red dwarf star in the Pisces constellation, which means the planet is creative, compassionate, intuitive. Unless Pisces is placed in the 7th house, then it's bad at communication.
Chase, astrology doesn't apply to planets.
That's really naive, what if guy. I mean, Saturn literally has a ring on it. Go, girl.
Saturn
What?
is a gas giant, and it has many rings.
You know,
Yes,
not everybody
so it doesn't have a surface.
You are, Rico, okay? And you always take his side. What's going on? Did I program you this way? Whatever, I'll get over it. Rico, now's the time for my favorite phrase. Initiate landing sequence.
Hey yo.
That really should be my catchphrase. What do y'all think?
Very little is known about
That shit
Gliese
look
12b
pretty nice.
because exoplanets don't emit any detectable light, making it very hard for scientists to observe them. Still, scientists
Correct.
can deduce some basic characteristics using the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, otherwise known as TESS. This satellite stares at the sky and measures the changing brightness of a star in 20-second to 30-minute
What?
intervals as the exoplanet passes the star it orbits.
That's
Hey, we don't
crazy.
need a satellite for that. I can stare at the sky with my own blinky balls.
If only it was that easy.
Oh, man, I almost had it. Oh, now everything has a big red circle in the middle.
Well, nice try. Unfortunately, TESS can only give us data on exoplanets that pass between their star and Earth. Fortunately, Gliese 12b does just that. So this is how we know that it's roughly the same size as Earth, but is about 15 times closer to its star.
Damn. Uh-oh. Look at this place. Like a desert. I'd have stayed on the ship.
Huh. Rico, give me the stats on this red dwarf.
Loading stats.
At what point did this red dwarf make its way to Mordor? Well, Gliese might be orbiting real close to its star, but like the space gods, it's
Gliese.
only about a quarter the size of Earth's sun. And with only 60% of the surface temperature, yeah, Chase can live with that. You know, if this planet's sun had anywhere near the size and heat of Earth's sun, I'd be dead already. I'd be a ball of flame. And my personal preference is to not be a ball of flame.
Correct. Because of its proximity, Gliese 12b receives 1.6 times more energy from its star than Earth does from the sun.
What?
Oh, yeah, we could put a solar panel over here
So what, he fast?
and here. And over here. Oh. You know, this could be the first fully renewable planet in the cosmos. Well, that we know of, at least. Oh, it's a bit warm here. Rico, what's the temperature reading?
62.2 degrees Celsius.
Okay. Oh man, I'd be worried about bringing you humans to this planet. I mean, you've done a great job heating up Earth already, pumping those greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This planet is 62 degrees already, so clean energy only here, period. I'm looking at you, Kyle.
Bruh.
Yeah, oh yeah. We're gonna just cover this whole section with solar panels. This would be really nice.
Bro, he is
Sofa over
wildin'.
there.
Well, scientists haven't been able to collect any data about Gliese 12b's atmosphere. We don't know how the planet would change with any additional gas emissions.
Well,
Yeah.
not a problem. Rico, give me an atmospheric reading. Stat.
Calculating. Atmosphere composition is 52% carbon dioxide, 44% nitrogen, 3% miscellaneous gases.
Yeah, all right. Well, all that CO2 explains the heat. If Gliese 12b had no atmosphere at all, it'd be around 42 degrees. And if we had any more CO2, we'd be getting up to Venus temperatures. That would not be pleasant.
Scientists have only observed a rocky surface on Gliese 12b, but since it's in the habitable
That'd be
zone of
big,
a
bro.
star,
This shit is
it
crazy.
could very well have water.
Facts though.
Chase,
Facts.
mind doing some exploring?
Yeah. I'll look for some water. I mean, I'm thirsty anyways. And another thing that's important to know before any of you guys move here is that this planet orbits the star every 12.8 days. Do you understand the severity of what that means? Yeah, a New Year's resolution every 13 days. My resolution last year was to sign up for the What If Explorers Club on Patreon. That was an easy one.
Bruh.
Hey, that should be your resolution too.
Gliese 12b has almost 4 times the Earth's mass.
What?
That means that even though it's the same size as Earth, its gravitational pull is much stronger.
Whoa.
You know, it is a lot harder to walk here now. You know, not that What If guy would think to ask. Still no signs of water. Rico, scan the surroundings for water.
Scanning.
Toot,
No
toot.
water.
Movement detected.
What? Movement
Oh!
detective. You mean we're not alone out here? Oh, no. We don't
What?
have any. It could have big claws, big teeth, or
Man.
worse, big feet.
What if?
feet.
Explain this. What is that?
Oh,
It's gotta be
hey
fake.
there, little guy. You're okay. Your feet are an average size. Ah, oh. I'm scared. Not scared, but that's just got something in my throat. Okay, animal life on Gliese 12b? That means surely there must be water here somewhere. Rico, track that animal. We're gonna follow it to a water source. Where did it go? Ah, crap. You know, Rico, while you're tracking that little
What
dude,
kind of
scan for
animal?
other alien life.
Good
None
alien.
detected within a 10-kilometer radius.
Oh man, hope this little guy isn't alone out here. That'd be so sad. Imagine being trapped on an exoplanet all by yourself, the only multicellular organism. At least I have Rico, when he's not malfunctioning, which is most of the time. So I guess me and this critter have a lot in common.
Affirmative.
What
You know
is
what?
that?
You don't have to be alone out here anymore, little guy. I'm naming you Charlie, and you're coming with me. Chasing Charlie, exploring the universe.
Don't grab that motherfucker.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I like that song. Come here, little buddy. Come here. Yeah. Oh, come on. You like the sound of that? Sing it with me. Chasing Charlie. Chase. Come back here. Come back here. Come here, little buddy. Come here.
Oh, Betty, it's over.
Charlie,
It's over.
You bit my finger.
It's over.
Suit decompressing.
He's cooked.
Oh no.
You're cooked.
You stupid stock website 3D animation.
Cooked.
Ugh. No. Damn it. Damn this stupid planet. I was so close. You stupid red dwarf storm. Suck it, Charlie.
Cooked. He's cooked.
Looks like there wasn't any
He's cooked.
oxygen in the atmosphere for Chase to breathe. But don't worry, he goes on these adventures all the time.
What is that
Dies, and
animal?
somehow he always comes back. And little Charlie there gets to continue roaming Gliesa 12B a free agent. We'll see if Chase finds any more pets on his next adventure. But that's a story for another What If.
Bro. What if y'all subscribing? I appreciate it, man. I got more videos for y'all coming, man. Let's go ahead and get to it. Nah, that is crazy. What was Earth like 2,000 years ago?
"2,000 years ago was drastically different from the world we know today. We're talking about a period around the year 23 AD, during the time of the Roman Empire, which was one of the most significant powers of that era. The average Joe, or let's say the average Gaius, was dealing with a life that was much harder and simpler than ours. There was no electricity, so when the sun set, you were largely in the dark, save for candlelight. Running water and plumbing were luxuries found only in the cities, specifically within wealthier households or public baths. Agriculture was the heart of the economy, and most people lived in rural areas. They farmed and raised livestock, working from dusk till dawn. It was a life tied intimately to the seasons and the whims of nature.
That's crazy.
In 1899,
If the Earth had an humans merging with AI, the ability to control
350. Did you know that you're most likely an alien?
Bruh, get the fuck out of here. I ain't no damn alien. Bro, that What If channel is definitely lit.
Before
Antarctica is easy.
there's one.
Antarctica is
There's one.
Squidward Q Tentacles hates his.
Our eyes wide shut.
Slime City.
These. It would be.
Slime City.
In the mid-90s,
We have
Hell no. Hell no. No scary video. Bruh. Yo.
on the morning
Shit's gonna have me. I'm here by myself too right now. Bruh.
Hey,
He sold his soul. Hear the story on Young Legend. What? Nah, that shit's scary.
Where y'all from? Where y'all from? You get hit.
Look at my video.
Somewhat. Go get him. Damn, nigga, you fly.
Yeah.
alright, Chuck.
Why you can't find a painter in the space? I will react to this Vaughn. I heard it earlier, but it's you gonna copyright my ass. I want to see why you
when
can't
the
fly
Wright
a plane
brothers
out of
first took
space.
off in their flying machine over a century ago, they never could have imagined how ubiquitous air travel would
Hold on.
become. When the
What? Why you can't fly a plane into
When the
space?
Wright brothers
Why not?
first took off in their flying machine over a century ago, they never could have imagined how ubiquitous air
wanna
travel
know
would
why.
become. Approximately 100,000 flights take off and land around the world each day, with ticket prices getting cheaper and cheaper as the industry develops. After mankind had conquered the skies and made air travel a trivial affair, we looked toward the next frontier, space. But as engineers design new types of spacecraft, some might wonder, why do they go to all that trouble? After all, the planes can fly pretty high. Couldn't we just fly them a little bit higher? Say, all the way to space? Technically, the answer is no. We absolutely could not. But why? That answer is a little bit more complicated. Let's first look at how high planes can actually go. Commercial
Right.
jets tend to fly at an altitude of around 28,000 to 35,000 feet, but they can reach heights of up to 40,000. Most of them aren't meant to go much higher than that, though there are exceptions such as the Concorde, a supersonic commercial jet that could reach a cruising altitude of 60,000 feet. NASA also designed an airplane called Helios that was able to fly up to 97,000 feet. But it was powered by electric motors and didn't resemble a typical airplane. Meanwhile, the minimum height required to exit the Earth's atmosphere and enter orbital airspace is 62 miles, or 327,360 feet. That's nearly 10 times the average height most commercial jets tend to fly. So, commercial planes and
Crazy.
some scientific prototypes can't fly high
That's
enough
why you
to
need a
make it into
spaceship.
space. But what is the reason for that? Why can't you just hop on a plane at LAX with a dream in your heart and soar off into the great unknown? Well, there are a few different reasons for that. First, there are forces that act on a plane. Lift, which pushes the craft upward, weight, which pushes it downward, thrust, which pushes it forward, and drag, which pushes it backward. Planes are designed with these forces in mind, and they're an essential factor in a successful flight. But in space, the gravitational force and air resistance ordinarily present are gone, and the forces required for the plane to
That's
act as
crazy.
intended are gone too. Next, there's the matter of temperature. Re-entering the Earth's atmosphere generates a great deal of heat. Space shuttles are equipped with protective shielding that allows them to endure this heat without falling apart. But planes aren't quite so resilient. Even if you were able to fly a plane into space successfully, re-entering the atmosphere would roast any passengers unlucky enough to be inside. Do not pay for an economy ticket to space, folks. It's just
Cool.
not worth it. Another obstacle standing between an ordinary commercial plane and space travel is the quality of air closer to space. The higher you go, the thinner the air becomes. At high
Right.
enough altitude, the air becomes too thin for the plane to maintain its lift. At this point,
Correct.
the plane reaches something ominously called a coffin corner, in which
Oh,
it can
no.
no longer speed up, slow down, or climb any higher. The only way to keep the aircraft from crashing once in the coffin corner is by reducing its altitude while carefully gaining speed during a controlled descent. And then there's the issue of the plane's engine. Commercial airplane engines are unable to generate enough thrust to propel a craft through the atmosphere and into space, which requires approximately 7.2 million pounds of thrust. For comparison, the
God
Boeing
damn.
747's engine generates around 63,000 pounds of thrust. Airplane engines also rely on air in order to generate combustion. Without enough fresh air, that combustion ceases, and the engines die. Turns out the air part of the airplane matters quite a bit. This would pose a
Yeah.
pretty big problem in space, given that it's pretty famous for being a place without much air. So what would happen if a pilot decided to try their luck and fly their plane into space anyway? Well,
He'd be
like the
cool.
Greek myth of Icarus, in which the titular young man disobeyed his father and attempted to fly higher and higher using a pair of wax wings, only to have them melt from the heat of the sun, they would suffer a terrible fall back to Earth. Surprisingly, this has actually happened, with the most prominent example being the Pinnacle Airlines Flight 3701 in 2004. On October
Wow.
14th, 2004, Flight 3701 was due to transport an empty 50-seat Bombardier CRJ-200 from Little Rock, Arkansas to Minneapolis. The planned cruising altitude for the flight was 33,000 feet, but shortly after the plane left its destination, it began to ascend rapidly. After only 14 minutes of flight, the pilots requested clearance to climb to 41,000 feet, the maximum operating altitude for the Bombardier CRJ series. They expressed to each other an eagerness to test the limits of the aircraft. Clearance was granted, and the plane quickly climbed to this ambitious new height. Once it did, however, disaster struck. Both the engines lost power, likely due to a sudden ascent to an altitude at the absolute limit of the craft's capabilities. The pilots declared an emergency and descended, but were unable to restart the engines. The flight crashed into the ground outside of Jefferson City and both crew members were killed. The National Transportation Safety Board listed the causes of the crash as, quote, the pilot's unprofessional behavior, deviation from standard operating procedures, and poor airmanship. Which seems a little harsh given that they were already dead.
What?
If the pilot's goal was to get to space, well, let's just say they didn't get close. Only reaching 41,000 feet, they were over just 12% of the way to escaping our atmosphere. So we know that airplanes can't fly to space, but there are actually a type of plane that can. That's right, you guessed it, space planes. A space plane is a vehicle capable of flying and gliding like an aircraft while in Earth's atmosphere and moving like a spacecraft once it's exited.
What
Yeah,
if
right,
planets
let's
change
change things up a
positions?
Our solar system has been around for billions of years and is starting to get a little boring. So what if we shook up the positions of our planets? What if Jupiter was right next to the Sun? Or what if Earth switched places with Mars? Today, we're rearranging the planets in our solar system from largest to smallest. Yeah, and then flipping them back to go smallest to largest.
What?
But how would this affect Earth?
Right,
And
like what?
would we have a new planet to call home? This is What If, and
I hope
here's
not.
what would happen if the planets changed positions. Okay, first let's take a look at what would happen if the planets were laid out from largest to smallest, starting with the Sun. Well, this configuration has a big problem. But
Yeah.
before we tell you what that is, let's look at how the individual planets would line up. Jupiter is the granddaddy of the solar system. It's more than twice as massive as all the other planets put together. It would move from its current position all the way to Mercury's spot.
Good.
At less than 1/10 of its original distance from the Sun. Think that's a crazy idea? Well, astronomers studying exoplanets tell us that this is not so unusual. Other large gaseous planets orbiting very close to their stars have actually been named hot Jupiters. Now, sitting in Mercury's orbit, Jupiter's orbit around the Sun, a trip that normally takes 12 years, would now take just 90 days.
What?
And the average temperature would rise to around 167 degrees Celsius.
Damn.
Making Jupiter's gaseous atmosphere heat
Hot.
and swell. And what would happen to Jupiter's moons? Well, the icy layers of the moons Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa might start to sublimate,
Melt.
forming water vapor, revealing the oceans beneath. But that wouldn't last long.
Yeah.
Given the intense heat of the Sun, the water would evaporate. Now, if there's any life in Europa's ocean, it might welcome the warm thaw, only to quickly realize things are a bit too hot to handle.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, in second position, behind Jupiter, would be the gas giant Saturn, taking the place
Saturn.
of Venus. Things would be warming up here, too. The average temperature of Saturn would climb from minus 140 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius.
Ooh.
And in its new position, Saturn would look a lot different. Now,
I believe it.
bombarded by the intense heat and radiation from the Sun, the planet's rings would disappear.
Good. Yeah.
The rocks found in the rings might survive,
burn up.
but the ice particles would melt and the dust would get blown away by solar winds. But who knows? The magnetic fields of Saturn and the Sun might interact and form brand new patterns.
Yeah?
Okay, now we get to the best seat in the house, the Goldilocks zone. Yeah, unfortunately, Earth no longer gets this spot. We'll check in on our new home in the solar system in a bit, but for now, the habitable zone is occupied by our third largest planet, Uranus.
What?
Normally, it takes Uranus 84 years to revolve around the sun, but here, that shrinks to just a single Earth year. And instead of it being a cold, barren planet, it would now be basking in the sun's rays. So, would this transform the ice giant into a habitable planet? Well, for habitability, you need three things: liquid water, carbon-based molecules, and an energy source. Well, with more heat from the sun, water ice in Uranus's atmosphere could become liquid water, so we can check that off the list. Now, what about carbon-based molecules? Well, luckily they exist in Uranus's atmosphere of methane and ammonia. Check. And in its new spot closer to the sun, there'd be way more energy available. So, yeah, looks like we got everything we need. But not so fast. Remember, Uranus has super high atmospheric pressure and also lacks a surface. So the chances of this ice giant becoming Earth 2.0 are pretty slim. Maybe Uranus's moons would be a better spot to live. Or maybe things would improve for Uranus in a couple billion years. Yeah, after all, Earth wasn't the most habitable planet at the start of its life either. Yeah, but there's no time for that. We've got more planets to check out. All right, in the number 4 spot, we've got Neptune, filling in for where Mars would normally be. Moving this ice giant so much closer to the sun would start warming it up considerably from its current minus 200 degrees Celsius.
What? Nah.
Also go from having an orbit of 165 Earth years to being able to zip around the sun in just under 2. But Neptune is known for having violent storms, and due to the increased heat and energy it would get from being this close to the sun, its storms might get even worse. Okay, I bet you're wondering about that big problem I was talking about earlier. Well, this new planet order would be seriously destabilizing. We've got 4 big planets now crammed into orbits that are very close. As these large planets swing around the sun, they'd exert huge gravitational pull on each other.
Ooh.
This could
take
the system out of whack, destroying our entire solar system. And even if that doesn't happen, something terrifying would happen to us in this newly redecorated solar system.
What do you mean?
In this new order, Earth would be the 5th planet from the sun, sandwiched between Neptune and Venus. Now, if Earth were to orbit too close to Neptune, we could become the planet's 15th moon. Oops. But really, that might be the best case scenario. Being so much further away from the sun, we'd now be getting less energy. Our surface water would freeze. All life on the planet would die out, including you. The only things that might stand a chance are a few creatures living inside deep-sea hydrothermal vents being heated by the Earth's core. Anyone want to be a snailfish? Okay, after Earth would come Venus, then Mars, then Mercury. This far away from the sun, temperatures would plummet on all 3 planets. Venus's sulfuric clouds would condense, forming acid rain, sulfuric acid ice, and carbon dioxide ice. Not the kind of ice
That's crazy.
Mars and Mercury, with little to no atmospheres, would become cold ice boxes orbiting the sun.
Frozen.
Yeah, none of this sounds great. I think I like the current order of the planets that we have now. But what if we tried this in reverse? What if we arranged the planets in ascending order, with the smallest one closest to our sun? In this case, hot little Mercury would be in position number 1. Yeah, just like today, so far so good. In orbit number 2, we'd find Mars. Mars? Toasty, reaching an average temperature of 32 degrees Celsius. Like a hot day here on Earth. but any surface water might get vaporized, and carbon dioxide in the ice caps and in the soil would get released. Would this lead to a thicker atmosphere? Well, probably not, as the atmosphere would likely
Imagine
be
if
stripped
Earth
away
was
by
close as
strong
hell to
solar
the sun.
winds. So, unfortunately, the red planet won't become any more habitable with this new positioning. Okay, now we reach our happy place, the habitable zone. Would pulling Venus into the Goldilocks zone create ideal conditions for life? Sorry folks, it doesn't look good. Sure, Venus would cool off a bit, but not enough to sustain liquid water, which is essential for habitability. Venus's carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere makes things hot through an intense greenhouse effect. There's no water on Venus's surface and very little water vapor in the atmosphere. Even if a comet crashed and delivered water here, it would evaporate in the heat. So, big thumbs down for new life. And how about Earth? Well, we'd be in 4th place. This would mean we'd get just half as much sunlight as we get today. That's not so bad, right? Well, unfortunately, this means we'd freeze. Similar to our other scenario, maybe some small pockets of life could survive, but humans wouldn't stand a chance. Without being in that perfect habitable zone, Earth just wouldn't be the same. In 5th place is Neptune, which is closer to the sun compared to where it is now. Now, Neptune's gravitational field might ward off some asteroids headed toward Earth. It would also make for a beautiful night sky, with Neptune shining brightly, second only to our moon. Further down the line, Saturn and Uranus would swap places, with Uranus coming in and Saturn moving out. Probably wouldn't change things all that much. Jupiter moves from 5th place to 8th place, 6 times farther away from the sun than before. That's a big change. 1 year on Jupiter would now last nearly 14 times as long as before. From 12 Earth years to 165.
Videos
Its
up.
hydrogen and helium atmosphere would stay pretty much the same, but the weirdest thing that might happen? Being this far out, Jupiter's gravity would have an effect on meteors, asteroids, and other rocks flying around the outer solar system. And due to its significant gravitational pull, Jupiter would attract them and begin to fling them around the inner solar system. It would be like the late heavy bombardment experienced by the early solar system. Planets would get hit with significantly more asteroids than they do in our current formation. Ugh, you know, I'm glad the planets aren't laid out from the sun based on size. Big to small or small to big, either way, things wouldn't be good for Earth. We'd freeze and die. Life
Damn, bro, that
cease to
sounds
exist.
cool, bro.
Now, how did we get to the current order of our solar system anyway? 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system started off as a big blob of gas. Some of this collapsed due to gravity and formed the sun, and other bits came together to form the planets. There was still a lot of gas and dust around, which concentrated into a dense, rotating disk. The rotation of this disk affected the positions of our planets. The smaller rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, were pulled inward toward the sun. And further away from the sun, gas and ice condensed to form Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. A second transformational phase began 3.8 billion years ago. The orbits of Jupiter and Saturn became locked together briefly, creating instability in the solar system. To counter that instability, their positions changed. Jupiter migrated inward, and Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune migrated outward. After a few million years, things settled down, with all four assuming positions similar to where they are today. Regardless of how it all happened and why the planets sit where they do today, I'm just happy the Earth ended up in the Goldilocks zone.
Right.
And based on this hypothetical, well, it doesn't look like any of the other planets would do as good a job housing humans, even if they were in the right spot. Let's just hope Earth stays right where it is for a long, long time.
Definitely.
Now, what if the
Bro, I
Earth
find
was
it
suddenly hit by a massive volcano that could destroy it? Well, then
No
staying in
cap.
the Goldilocks zone might be the least of our worries.
We need to definitely stay in the Goldilocks zone. But I find it crazy how we're still able to just breathe oxygen. Like,
What if?
you smelled it? Like, come on, bro. That's crazy. But make sure y'all go ahead and sub up, man. We got another one coming for y'all, man. Let's do it, bro. That is wild, bro. That is wild. Man. That's wild, bro. What everybody doing? All right, what we got now? No. All right, what would you look like on different planets? What? The sinister reason NBA YoungBoy beats all his cases. Huh?
While he has managed to climb to the very top of the music
He
industry,
did?
his success came paired with plenty of legal troubles. Since the beginning of his career, YoungBoy has gotten himself in serious trouble, but somehow he always manages to find an easy way out, allowing him to never pay the consequences for his many wrongdoings. It's almost like YoungBoy is untouchable. Some people might attribute his legal success to his immense wealth, but if we learned anything from the Diddy case, money doesn't always help you out of serious charges. So how is YoungBoy always finding a way to either beat the case or get a favorable plea deal time after time again? Well, YoungBoy's success in the courts isn't only because of his money, but due to his secret alliance that most of his fans know nothing about. Hey guys, I hope all is well.
What do you say?
YoungBoy's success in the courts isn't only because of his money, but due to his secret alliance that most of his fans know nothing about. Hey guys, I hope all is well. Welcome back to The Truth Is, where I drop new videos every other day exposing the truth. In today's episode, we will be talking about how NBA YoungBoy always escapes prison time. But before we begin, I just wanted to ask you guys to like, comment, and subscribe so we can get this video seen by everyone who needs to see it. I want to thank you all. Now, let's get right into it. Over the years, NBA YoungBoy has earned himself a reputation for being an authentic street rapper, dropping hard-hitting gangster rap anthems that seem to illustrate his real-life circumstances. Growing up in the gritty streets of Baton Rouge has not only forced YoungBoy to grow up faster than most, but also placed him in the center of one of the most dangerous ghettos in the United States, forcing YoungBoy to toughen up early on and create his gangster persona that he is well known for today. While most rappers play this gangster character for record sales, YoungBoy seems to really be about that life. Even after he became a famous rapper, he still couldn't stay out of the streets, a habit that has repeatedly ended him up in trouble with the law. YoungBoy has been arrested a total of 7 times since he has been famous. 7 separate arrests, all by the age of 25 years old.
That's crazy.
YoungBoy didn't grow up with his father because he was serving a 55-year prison sentence. You would think YoungBoy would not want to follow in his father's footsteps, especially considering how rich, famous, and successful he has been able to become. None of this stops YoungBoy from getting in trouble, not his father's fate, and not even his immense success. What doesn't help YoungBoy's behavior is the fact that he always finds a way to avoid hard prison time. He either beats the case, gets it dismissed, or in the worst case scenario, takes a very favorable plea deal that keeps him from doing hard prison time. YoungBoy's trouble with the law goes all the way back to 2014. In 2014, NBA YoungBoy was just a 15-year-old when he was caught committing a robbery. He was sentenced to 6 months in a juvenile detention center, which is when he wrote and later released his debut mixtape, Life Before Fame. While this was one of his real first criminal charges, he managed to escape relatively easy with a short 6-month sentence. His second arrest would come not long after his first, in 2016. In 2016, he was arrested for attempted murder. When NBA YoungBoy was in Austin, Texas before a show, Baton Rouge law enforcement thought he fired guns into a crowd during a drive-by. He pleaded guilty in exchange for a reduced charge of aggravated assault with a firearm, which got him just 9 months in prison. The plea deal sentenced YoungBoy to 3 years of probation with a suspended 10 years prison sentence. This was a huge break for YoungBoy, as just 2 years prior, he was caught committing a robbery. Usually, the judge isn't that reasonable once a pattern of criminal behavior starts to show, but somehow, YoungBoy managed to get off such a light sentence for such a horrible crime. His next arrest would come in 2018. This time, it was assault, weapons, and kidnapping charges. Before a concert at the Moon nightclub in Tallahassee, NBA YoungBoy was arrested for committing assault, weapons violations, and kidnapping. Hotel surveillance showed them assaulting his then girlfriend, Jania Jackson, and restraining her. He was also caught with weapons during his arrest. He was eventually released from jail with a $75,000 bail. You would think his third arrest would play as a wake-up call for YoungBoy, that it would help him realize that he had to change his ways in order to keep this from happening again. But the fact that he always seems to escape real prison time, YoungBoy kept on being a menace. His next arrest would end up happening in 2019. In 2019, he would end up being targeted by a group of people who attempted to take him out during a drive-by shooting in Miami. YoungBoy managed to survive the attack, but his then girlfriend was struck by a bullet. An innocent bystander bystander was also struck and unfortunately passed away. Even though
What?
Youngboy wasn't the aggressor, he was still arrested. While he was acquitted of all charges for the shooting, NBA Youngboy had violated his probation by making threats on social media, which he was banned from using. Also, for being around other felons, so he was sentenced to 90 days in jail and house
That's
arrest.
wild.
Again, Youngboy got
Bruh.
off easy, something that was becoming normal for him. He was then again arrested 1 year later. In September 2020, a major drug bust led to 16 arrests, including that of NBA Youngboy on charges of distribution and manufacturing of drugs and possession of stolen firearms. He was released shortly after his 2020 arrest when he needed to undergo further trials for conviction and sentencing, but he fled the state after his release. This led to his next arrest in 2021. In 2021, Youngboy was driving his vehicle in LA when he noticed police officers trailing behind him. They attempted to pull him over, but Youngboy decided to take the police on a full-on high-speed chase.
no.
When Youngboy couldn't keep on going in his car, he ditched the vehicle and started running on foot. He
Yo.
was found by the LAPD with help from police dogs. There is actual footage of Youngboy running away from the police posted on the internet, where you can see Youngboy trying to escape the cops, but still getting caught. When they caught him, police also found him in possession of illegal firearms. He was
Damn.
released in October 2021 on a $1.5 million bail. By July
Damn.
2022, NBA
That's
Youngboy
crazy.
was found not guilty of California's federal firearm charges against him and again
What?
escaped serious prison time. Even after he ran off on the police and was caught with an illegal firearm, he was able to beat the case. All of these prior arrests, some of which were still ongoing, would lead to this final arrest, which happened last year. In April 2024, Youngboy was again arrested while he was serving house arrest in Utah. This time, he was arrested for drug charges, identity fraud, forgery, possession of dangerous weapons, and possession of controlled substances. After the police became aware of Youngboy running an illegal prescription pill operation where Youngboy impersonated a doctor in order to get prescription pills.
Wow.
The police raided his home and they found him with weapons and controlled substances. Youngboy was again arrested, and this time it really wasn't looking good for him, especially since he was caught with all this while serving his house arrest sentence and dealing with other ongoing cases. It looked like Youngboy's luck had finally run out and he was going to be facing
Cooked.
serious time for his charges.
He's cooked.
Eventually, a federal judge in Utah sentenced Youngboy to just under 2 years in prison on gun-related charges after he acknowledged having possessed weapons despite being a convicted felon. Somehow, the rapper reached an agreement that resolved his Utah state charges against him and settled 2 sets of federal charges against him, one that carries a 23-month sentence and the other 5 years of probation and a $200,000 fine. So even though he had a long rap sheet of similar criminal behavior going back almost 10 years, he was only sentenced to 2 years after beating some of his other cases. Youngboy was going to be in prison until at least late 2026, but in Youngboy fashion, he again managed to dodge much of this prison time. No one knows how, but somehow, again, Youngboy's time was reduced.
Yo.
Now it's being reported that he will be released in July of this year, with his sentence being reduced by almost 17 months. Even after all the crimes he had committed, all the arrest and past behavior, he again finesses his way out of it. Now I know some of you might be thinking this is what money does, but not even money can help a random person who isn't famous who was arrested 7 times for guns, drugs, and weapons. Now if you're wondering what got Youngboy out of all of this, it's his connections to the secret society that runs the world. Now I know some of you who don't know how things work might be thinking, what is this guy talking about? Well, I'm talking about the Freemasons, and NBA Youngboy being a part of them since he was a teenager. I have spoken about Youngboy's Masonic ties before on the channel, but considering the number of new subscribers, some of you might have not seen those older videos. See, Youngboy was involved in the Freemasons since he was a teenager. Now, while in order to join a Masonic lodge, you must be at least 21, Youngboy seems to have either been represented by someone who was a Mason or was a part of the Masonic youth program called the Masonic de Molay, which is just Masonry for
That's
kids
why.
to get them.
That's why I'm scared to get in the damn rap industry. They can have it. I don't care about being rich. You know what I mean? All that. I don't care if I don't want to get in the game. I'm good where I'm at. Feel me? Having fun making videos.
ready to
That shit's
become
scary,
full
bro.
Freemason members when they're older. The reason I know NBA Youngboy is involved with the Freemasons is because he told us himself in one of his old music videos. NBA Youngboy dropped his music video for his song Fact back in 2016. All the way back then, Youngboy and his crew could be seen wearing necklaces with Freemason square and compasses pendants. The Freemason
Lord.
square and compasses is the main symbol of Masonry. It is only used by Masons as others have no idea what it is. Throughout the video, you can see Youngboy and his crew wearing these Masonic chains, showing their Masonic alliance. Like I said, since Youngboy was a teenager when he filmed this video, I can only assume either his management had him wearing this or he was already a part of the Masonic Demolay. This means someone in the Youngboy family initiated him early. This alongside of other Masonic images.
Yo. This is thumbnail material right here. This is thumbnail street. Bro, come on, man. What?
Imagery found in Youngboy's video confirms he's a Freemason. Now, when a person joins the Freemasons, they take on an oath to always look out for other Mason brothers. A lot of judges and high-powered lawyers are members of the Freemasons. This is the reason Youngboy always finds a way out of jail or prison. He is being protected by the oath he took. His Mason brothers are obligated to let him free. It's the same thing that happened with Young Thug. Young Thug was
this shit is
arrested with
crazy.
So much evidence against him and was looking at life in prison. By the end of it all, he was released on time served and given probation. Everyone thought Youngboy was going to be in prison for the rest of his life. Everyone except for me, as I knew he was going to be set free one way or another, just like it happened. In fact, when I said he was going to be set free, some people laughed at me and called me crazy. The thing is, I knew Young Thug was going to be let off easy because he told us himself. In this old clip of Thug, he confessed out of his own mouth that he was a Mason that beats all his cases.
I'm a Mason. I beat all my cases. I'm a Mason. I beat all my cases.
Thug had no issues telling the world he was a Freemason. So much so that there's photos of Thug inside of a Masonic lodge all over the internet. Young Thug beat his case because he took the Masonic oath. I know some people are
These
going to
artists,
argue that he
man.
still got probation, but considering he was facing life in prison and things were looking horrible for him, probation was a gift, no matter the specifications. Youngboy and Young Thug are both Freemasons, and it's why they're able to bend the rules and get out. Diddy is also a Freemason, but he got himself in trouble with the higher-ups when he tried to sue Diageo. See, Diddy was partnered with Diageo to promote Ciroc, but when he made his own brand, De Leon, and they wouldn't promote it in the same way they promoted Ciroc, Diddy got offended and tried to sue them to force them to do what he wanted. That didn't work out, and a few months later, his entire life was flipped upside down, and no matter how much money he has, they won't let him out.
Another video's
because
up.
the Masons have the justice system rigged. You have to understand just how powerful the Masons are in America. They are the ones that created this country. That's the reason so many celebrities who are Masons always find the way out of prison. Now, this also tells us that Youngboy and Young Thug are both Masonic puppets, being controlled by the Masonic order and pushing their agendas. They want these rappers out free, pushing their gangster lifestyle onto millions of impressionable fans, pushing this destructive agenda to the kids in urban communities. That's why they pay them millions of dollars. They want these rappers to mold the youth into adopting a criminal lifestyle. If any other person not connected to Masonry commits crimes like these, they would be in prison forever. But when it comes to these Masonic puppets, they make sure they're free to guide the youth to a burning end. I know people love Youngboy because of his realness, but how real is he if he's a puppet on the strings of the Masonic elite, doing whatever they say just to get paid?
Bro, this is crazy.
Being real is sticking around and doing the right thing to take care of your family, not acting like a gangster well after you're a millionaire and influencing kids to do the same. YoungBoy is the same person who promoted substance abuse to his young fans, acting like it was a good thing to be an addict. He did this while he was on house arrest. Don't let YoungBoy manipulate you and destroy your life, as while your life is ending, YoungBoy only gets richer and richer. Like I always say, every day we wake up, our souls are at stake. We must remember to help those who can't see the truth find the truth. Well, that's it for this video, but before you
Bro,
guys go,
that's
I
crazy.
would like to politely ask you to subscribe if you're not. Please like, comment, and share this video so we can get it seen by everyone who needs to see it. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
That is crazy, man. Make sure y'all go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, man. How many YoungBoy fans we got out here, man? That's insane, bro. Y'all be easy. That is crazy, bro. WV fact. These videos is going up, my boy. All right, y'all. What's next? And the video's looking pretty good too. All right, bruh. So I just reveal new mission. So this little TJ is ruining his career. Yeah. Recapping President Donald Trump. Bruh. Fake Justin. The find most insane. Which one? Where? Video, which one? What's in Area 51? I got a secret UFO. What the fuck? Bruh.
In today's video, I joined 2 gang servers and stole some inventories. I even got a E-Thug to crash out on me, saying he will find where I live and all types of messed up stuff. But anyways, if you enjoy these videos, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to my channel.
That just come up to you.
Oh shit, I got a stash vehicle.
Dude, that just pulled up, bro.
I don't know, bro.
They're coming over to me.
Hey, yo, bro, who is you? Yo, who is you, bro?
Yo, what up, bro?
Nah, who is you, bro? Where you? Nah, yo, stay over here, bro.
What's wrong?
Who is you?
Doesn't matter, or?
Yo, everyone, come downstairs. There's a random civ out here, bro, at the block.
Oh, is this a block?
Yeah, this is a block, bro. You're gonna have to stay right here, fam.
Why? I thought this was a hotel. I was gonna check in.
Nah, bro, you're gonna have to stay right here, fam.
Who is?
Yeah, I'm gonna get going. I thought this was a hotel.
No. You're gonna stay right here, papi.
Sorry, boys.
Nah, who are you, bro?
Yo, carry this nigga. Yo, where you going?
Who are you, bro?
Yeah, chill, bro. I thought it was a hotel.
Yo, where you walking, bro? Stop walking.
I thought it was a hotel. Chill, boys.
Yo, so why you in the block, homie? Why you coming to our apartments?
I thought it was a hotel. I was gonna check in.
A hotel? You can see clearly in the front. It says Parque de San Juan, nigga.
I didn't see that. Sorry, mate.
Nah. You did see that, bro. Yo, next time you here, bro,
Where
I'm
about?
clapping you in your dome. You heard?
Shut your mouth.
What'd you say, my nigga? Yo, you got 5 seconds, Brody. 5, 4.
Where about?
He's leaving. 3, you're not shooting. 2. And don't come back either, my nigga.
Shut your little mouth.
Yo, we watching you, my nigga. You better not step foot at the block, you heard?
Yo, who this is, buddy?
I'm just chilling, getting a nap in.
Oh, bet. Why you napping over here, though, bro?
What you mean, bro?
Like, why you napping over here?
It's a pretty quiet place next to the beach.
Alright, bro.
Listening to the sound of the ocean, you know?
I mean, you could have went to the beach with that shit, bro. I ain't even gonna cap to you.
Yeah, it's pretty nice here, though. Got the trees above me.
It's this nigga, bro.
Yo, chill, you just woke me up, bro.
That's another one. He
Yeah, you just
fucking
woke me
left.
up,
He
bro.
fucking teleported on my
You see,
screen.
bro? We told you not to be here, bro.
Yo, what you doing carrying me?
Bring this nigga outside.
Yeah,
bro.
what are you doing? I was having a nap. Yeah, I was trying to have a nap,
Oh,
bro.
shit.
I was trying to sleep there, listening to the ocean
Yo,
breeze.
you come
Out
through,
of
bro.
here,
You get.
Bro, alright, chill. Sorry.
Get
Sorry,
out of
bro.
our shit, bro.
Told you, nigga, not to get him on fucking block, nigga.
Yo,
Yo, what are you guys doing here?
saying sorry to the guy in here.
Nah, bro. What are you doing?
I
This
got
is
something
This
for him.
here?
I got something
is
for
a
him.
gang block. What are you doing here, bro?
You need to get the fuck out of here, guys.
Yeah, unlock the door. I got something for
I
you,
got the
bro.
count to 5. You got the. How are you opening doors? What?
Yo, bro. Sorry, bro.
Get the fuck out the block, my nigga.
Sorry, bro.
Yo, he ain't even dying. Yo, this nigga is.
Who is this
Bro.
guy? Bro, what is going on, bro? There's some nigga in a
Dude, get
red.
the fuck out of here, bro. This nigga's modding, bro. Bro, he
Bro,
just
this
got
shit
hit
ain't cool,
mad
bro.
shot in the head, bro. He's still alive.
I was just here to say sorry, bro.
Yo, what are you doing, bro?
Whoa. I just got poked.
Why is he killing us, bro? That's abuse of admin role.
Oh, this nigga's invisible.
Thanks for the Glock ammo, homie.
For the Glock? What the fuck you talking about, Glock?
Just robbing you
Yo,
in
this
front of
nigga's
the
stealing all
admins.
their shit, bro. He's stealing all their shit.
Just robbing you in front of the
He's stealing
admins,
all my
buddy.
shit, bro. This nigga's stealing all my shit.
Where? Cry about it.
Yo, keep on being a bitch, bro. You a bitch.
I will. Hold up, what's at the bottom of your
Pussy,
inventory?
my nigga. You suck. You're
Shut
trash.
up, I'm robbing your
You're
whole gang.
trash, you
I'm
UK
robbing
piece
your
of
gang.
shit.
You getting robbed by a
UK
cripple.
piece of shit. Can't even
Robbed by a
fucking play the
cripple.
game normally, so you gotta use
Yo,
mods,
this
you
nigga
pussy.
robbing me, kill him, bitch.
Bro, I
Robbed
can't.
by
He
a
robbed me
cripple,
too. He
homie.
robbed everything from me.
This nigga's fucking hacking, bro. Oh my god.
Yeah,
I
he
hate
is.
these
He's a
fucking
bitch ass
I'm not
nigga.
hacking, bro. I'm not hacking.
Thanks to Eldorado for sponsoring this video. Eldorado sell basically anything you need in the gaming community. They sell currency, accounts, items, and boosting for pretty much any game you can think of. When you buy from Eldorado, make sure to use my code CoreyJM to get a exclusive discount on your purchase. You can get GTA accounts with tons of money. You also can get cars for your account and a lot more virtual goods for GTA. I highly recommend checking them out. And again, if you purchase, use my code CoreyJM or click the link in the description to have my code automatically applied. Eldorado has loads of verified sellers to supply you with your needs. They also have 24/7 customer support. All your payments are secure with Eldorado. You get free account, warranty, and instant delivery after purchase. All trades are legit and you won't come across any scammers. Thanks again Eldorado for sponsoring this video. I have purchased GTA accounts from Eldorado in the past and I never had any issues with them at all. Anyways, just make sure to use code CoreyJM or just click the link in the description. 8WP650NL. Anything in there?
You do it?
Oh yes. Look at that. Go in
Let me
there.
take a gaze. Holy shit. We hit the jackpot, bro.
Let's take some shit.
Yeah, you take it. I don't want to glitch it.
Yo, what up, boy?
Yo.
How you going, bro? Drive off real quick. Got something special for you. Drive.
Drive. You got it up.
Oh, get in, bro.
This my homie.
You go in that car park straight ahead.
Am I gonna get robbed?
Hide the car.
Can you put money in the glove too? Oh, let me get that. I didn't get one.
Let's go.
He took all the guns. Let me get. Action bullet.
Hey, take this cig. Here, I'm gonna put it in the glove box. Yeah, bro.
Okay.
What you doing?
Shit, just chilling. Trying to get some money.
Fair enough. Hey, can you pick these up off the ground?
I'm not seeing nothing on the ground, bro.
Check that.
Shit. Oh, shit. Appreciate you, bro.
Who's these niggas trying to get in the car?
Unlock it. I'm trying to give you shit. Unlock it.
Y'all fucking weird, bro.
Yo, hit me, you die. Hit me, you die.
Check your glove box.
Hey, these two niggas in my car, and I know they ass.
Check your glove box, JD.
Holy fucking shit.
Yeah, you can have all that, mate.
Bro, I fucking had my car on. Yo, somebody's taking a gun and food from me, bro.
Oh, I see it. He robbed me too.
I might sit back, bro. He's been doing it, bro.
Bro, he's taking everything out of my bag, bro.
Yeah, thanks, boys.
Thanks for the free stash car. Your stash car's been given away. Out to the public service that we've done. Have fun getting your stash car back, boys.
Yo, what you doing aiming at me, boy?
I ain't mean to, bro. Shut the fuck up, duckhead.
You serious?
I'll fucking smoke you, you duckhead.
Do it.
What you mean do it, bro?
Do it,
What,
pussy.
so you can put me in a pack? Bellend. Aye, yo, this guy's chatting shit, fam. Yo, pull up, fam. My boys are coming, G. Trust. I fuck off, fam. I already told my boys you're here, G.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun,
Aye,
dun,
there's a
dun,
bounty
dun.
in your head and shit, bro.
A bounty on my head?
Yeah, fam.
Why would you put one on my head for?
Because you stink, bro.
I stink. I don't like your fucking attitude.
You don't like my fucking attitude. I don't know your fucking attitude, you little fucking wanker.
I might just fuck around and steal your fucking gun, bitch. Fuck you.
Yo, what?
I don't like your attitude, mate. Thanks for the drugs, the chug jug.
Yo!
Yeah, cry about it, boy. Said you got a bounty on my head? No, you don't. Not anymore.
Yo, bro, you trying to get my shit back?
Alright. Get on your knees and bark like a dog for me, and I'll give it back.
Yo, what?
I swear I'll give it back if you do that.
Bro, I'm gonna get it back either way, bro, so I don't
No,
care,
you're
bro. I
not.
don't
I'll just
care.
close the ticket.
Oh? You can't close... Bro, what?
Get on your knees and bark like a dog and you get it back.
I'm barking, bro.
Bark, go ruff ruff. No, do that again and go, you make the sounds.
Oh, I'll just call you daddy, bro. Yo, daddy, can I have my guns back, please?
Say please, daddy.
Please, daddy.
What a good boy. Say it one more time.
Yo, you gonna get my shit back or not, bro? Am I doing the ticket or am I doing it
Say
this way?
pretty please, daddy, with a cherry on top.
Pretty please, daddy, with a cherry on top.
Good boy. Good boy. There you go, Jay.
Yeah, thank you, bro. My bad. I'm sorry.
Good boy.
I'm sorry, dad.
Good boy. Yo, purple boy.
What?
How much is that gun you got?
Corey, chill out.
Oh my god.
Want me to take it right now? I'm joking.
Hey, come here. I spent a
me
lot
show
of
you a
money.
gun,
Hey,
please,
I spent
sorry.
a lot of money in this city. You come in here and start fucking shit up, you're gonna see, my boy.
Eat my dick, pussy.
Oh, what you say?
I said eat my dick, bitch.
Oh yeah, you gonna put me in a YouTube video, huh?
Yeah, bro.
Okay, keep doing that. Keep doing that, Corey.
Have a good one, bro.
Hey,
I stole 3 of his guns.
bro, Corey just took all my fucking shit.
How much money have you spent in the server?
It doesn't matter. Hey, if you were banned on the Discord, you'll see top donator. Yeah, you done yet in the city, bro?
Nah, not yet, bro.
I think I'm ready to hook
done
my
when I
wheel
wanna
up.
be done.
Hey, little boy, trust me, you ain't like that. You ain't
Drive
got
some
that
real life
motion.
cars
Oh,
around.
really?
Yeah, you don't. You actually don't got motion, you.
Yo, Corey,
Get on beam.
Shut up, bro.
All right.
I'll be back, boys. Hold up. I just got to sort this guy out.
No, you don't gotta sort me out.
I got that GTA map. Bruh.
Have a good one.
Yo, Corey, can I buy that normal amigo?
Aye, you fucking sell that.
Did he
fucking
just
MX
drop
Junior
this-
around there, Corey? You're fucked. Trust me, they've got mad logs on that. You're just gonna
What
get
is they
instantly
doing,
banned.
bro?
Trust
Who
me,
owns the MA2? You, Corey.
I own it.
Yeah, it's Blake's M82 that I'm going to give away.
Hey, Corey, come here.
What?
Let me chat to you. Wait, stand.
Bruh.
You little bitch boy. Oh,
Wait, Corey.
What the?
Wait. Corey,
Yo,
Corey,
chill out,
Corey.
Yeah, just so you know, I'm going to give away this Blake M82. GG. Yo, boys, you want this gun?
I want it. All right, man.
Come on, give it me. Give it me.
No, bro. Me, please.
I got yours one each anyway, so
Yo.
You're gonna give me one each.
Yo.
that's Blake's MA2. Make sure you use that bitch.
Come on, will
Alright,
you give
bet.
me one? Will you give me one? Yo.
Have a good day, bro. You're a big bitch, you know.
Your mom loves me though.
Oh, bitch, that's
That's
on my
alright.
face too.
Shut your mouth, you
Dumbass
little
nigga.
gimp.
You
Shut
a
your
mark.
mouth, you little gimp.
Mark.
Shut your mouth.
Bro,
What are
you
you
a
gonna
mark.
do? I'll
Look on my
steal your
face, you a
shit.
bitch.
I'll steal your
You a
shit.
bitch. Still what? Nigga, I shoot you in your shit. Fuck.
You're not doing anything, big boy.
Nah, come here.
Bruh.
I know you.
Yeah, who was that talking that shit? Who was
He
talking
tough.
that shit, boy?
Me, you bum
Ain't
nigga.
no way.
Fuck
Yeah,
on my
really?
face. God, spit on
Yeah?
you. Fuck on my face.
Give me that backpack, boy.
Fuck, nigga, took my backpack. Fuck.
Ain't no way it's you,
It's all
gang.
good. I got it on clip. It's all good.
Yeah, get that on clip.
Fuck.
Oh, 29,000 dirty. Some runner primes.
Hey, what's his name?
Oh shit. Black ARP come back to raffle. Damn.
Oh, backpack. Right there. Take my backpack. Niggas.
Yo, who likes my compact
seer.
rifle?
I'm
Look at
not
my
seer.
compact rifle.
I'm
He's a
not
seer.
playing
Yeah,
this
I'm
shit no
killing
more.
you guys all day, boy.
All right, cool. All right, that's cool, gang.
Pussy.
What the fuck?
Run out of green zone.
Fuck.
I don't know. He hacking
Nigga
probably.
took my shit.
That
Yes,
nigga
I
probably
know.
a
Nigga
wizard.
took my
No,
whole
I'm not a
thing.
wizard. I'm a civ, not a wizard.
Why, sure, come here. Hey, come here right
What
quick.
you doing, bro?
Nothing, bro.
Why is
Wait,
you
wait.
carrying me?
Cause you're a bitch trying to carry me.
Doing that
Why
dumb
you
shit.
took my man's backpack, bro. Yo, what is you doing, bro? Get off of me, bro. Bro, someone grab him, bro. Someone grab him.
Yo, Corey.
Oh,
Yo, Corey.
Yo, he just took my backpack.
Thanks,
what the
G.
Corey.
Appreciate that, G.
Yo,
Bro,
I'm
wait,
not,
hold-
bro. I'm really
I'm
spit on
gonna
his mother
yo,
in real
hold
life,
on.
bro. What the fuck
Yo.
y'all doing, bro?
Yo,
For real,
throw
bro.
your hands
I
up.
really
What's
dead-
wrong?
dead-
Shut up,
bro,
Pipsqueak.
I-
Shut
bro,
up,
I did,
Pipsqueak.
bro.
Throw your
For real,
hands up, bro.
dead ass.
Throw your
bro.
hands up,
Yo,
bro.
Corey,
I
can I
dead
get
ass
my-
really
can I get my-
go to your
my
grave,
ARP
say
back?
You're not
dig up
doing
your fucking
nothing.
mother. Fuck is
You're
you
not doing
talking about,
anything,
bro?
bitch boy.
I really dig up your grandmother, bro. Fuck is you talking about?
You're not digging up anyone, you internet gangster.
Bro, I promise you, bro, where you live at, bro? Tell me where you live at. I really do it. I send a whole video to you of me doing it. Then I piss on your fucking grandmother, whoever is in the
Bruh.
grave. He got my, bro. I have the whole clip of him stealing my.
No, you're lying, bro. I didn't
Listen,
take
bro, I'm not
anything
playing
from
with
you.
you.
No, you're
Bro,
lying.
shut the fuck up before I really spit on your.
No,
fucking
you
mother
shut
for
your
real,
mouth,
I'm
boy.
not fucking playing with you, bro.
I didn't take anything from you, bro. Get out of here,
Hey,
Pipsqueak.
chill. That's the goat, Corey, bro. Chill.
I don't care if it's a fucking YouTuber.
You're
A YouTuber can get killed in real life.
You're dicky.
You're gonna kill me in real life. You're
Yo.
gonna come to Australia.
What talking about, niggas? I'm not.
He's
You're gonna
mad.
fly to Australia and kill me.
Bro, like, what you fucking talking about, bro?
You said you're gonna kill me in
Drop
real
your
life.
fucking location. You a pussy ass bitch sitting behind a fucking screen.
Yeah, I'm in Australia, bro. Come there.
Yo, owner, take everything out of his inventory. Give me everything, bro. Give me
Why do you
everything.
have two bags on you? Book bag, bro.
What do you mean 2 bags?
Take all that.
Shit in
Take
there,
take
bro.
everything. Take everything. Take everything.
Pack them up. Yeah, we can pack. Yo, listen, we can pack them up for real. Like, we could really pack them up. If you're a backpack's right there. Tell him to drop me, bro. Tell him to drop where he live, bro.
Well, you gonna pack me up for real in real life?
Bro, time out, bro. I don't know which. Bro, I need to know what book bag is mine, bro.
I don't know which one you go on.
This is not my book bag. This is not my book bag. I have mad shit in it.
Wah.
Yeah, right here, bro.
Two book
Right
bags.
here.
I got 2 book bags.
Shit ass nigga right here,
This
bro.
guy had 2 book bags on.
He
it.
just
It's
took
already
my
on the
book
floor
bag
there.
again,
No,
bro.
I didn't, bro.
Bro,
Nuh-uh.
He
Your
right
book bag's gone, bro. Sorry.
What
Yeah,
I'm
you want me
saying
to
is-
ban him?
Nah, don't ban him yet. Don't ban. He got my book bag. He got my book bag.
I deleted your book bag. I deleted that.
And bro, I really spit on his fucking mother. Keep
Chill out, puppy.
What is you talking about? This nigga is bugging.
Chill out, puppy dog.
Nigga's been bugging all day today, bro. I haven't crashed out once. Man, it's cool with this pussy ass nigga, bro. This nigga's, bro, move, bro. Move away from this nigga, bro. This nigga's a whole bitch ass nigga. Bitch ass.
Just uploaded
nigga, bro.
another
This nigga
video.
is bro, yo, dead ass, yo. Oh, man, I dead ass, bro. Spit on your mother, man. Listen, and I dig up your dad ops or anybody in your fucking family member. And man, listen.
We all know that's cap. We all know
listen,
that's
bro,
cap.
listen,
You're not
bro,
doing
I spit on
anything,
your
bro.
fucking family, bro. All of them, and then I piss on every single last one of them. Fuck is you?
We all know that's cap. You wouldn't do that in real life. You'd do that on the
I
game.
wouldn't, nigga. I wouldn't, nigga. I wouldn't, nigga. I wouldn't, bro. Promise you, I would.
Shut your dirty mouth.
I promise you, I would, nigga. I promise you. I put that on everything I love, nigga. I would do that to you.
Nah, doubt it.
You doubt it, nigga? All right, bro. Drop me where you live at. Then you scared to do that, then?
Are you gonna fly to Australia?
I'll fly there any day to really whip your ass, bro. Fuck is you talking about to spit on your fucking mother?
You don't got that money.
Man.
Who is this nigga? This bitch ass nigga.
Let's go, bro. Me and you.
You really want that, bro? You really want to test those fucking waters, bro?
Yeah, I want to test those
Do you
waters.
want to be 6 feet under for real?
I'm diving right into those waters, bro.
Bro, this nigga is coming with me, bro. He is glitching with me, bro. What you mean? This nigga is glitching with me.
I despawned your book bag.
Now this nigga is on me, on my back, like he's a...
Oh. I got banned.
Bruh.
Sorry.
Why is you... Yo, get off my block.
Sorry.
Get off my block.
Bro, you know you just RDM'd the fuck out of me, bro.
Sorry, big boy. Sorry.
Yo, get off the block.
Hey.
Why you shoot him?
That nigga RDM'd the fuck out of me. I'm pissed as a bitch, bro. 30 of my fucking guns is missing that I spent real life money with. And don't go swearing through niggas' blocks, hitting niggas, bitch ass nigga.
What are you gonna do?
Bruh.
See, I'm coming back.
What happened to your guns?
I lost 30 fucking guns that I spent with IRL money. And I lost 1.8 million, bro. Cause I bought this bitch ass house
crazy.
and bitch ass nigga started a fucking turf war. I went outside being a real nigga to the gang, put my shit down. When I set it down, you know how you have when you set it down, it's in that black bag when you press drop, boom. I come outside, as soon as I get killed in that bitch ass turf war, I get took to spittle. By the time all that shit happens, restart happens, I come back, all my shit missing when I come back inside the
You
crib.
said the restart?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna take more of your guns. Gonna go through your inventory. I'm gonna change my pet and go back so they don't think it's me.
Yo,
Yo,
why are you on this book?
sorry, I'm leaving.
Alright, leaving is that way.
Okay.
So you're going the wrong way.
Bro, is this the same nigga I killed, bro?
No, brother.
Yo,
It's not me, bro. I swear, bro. Fuck you for killing me,
Hey.
pussy.
Hey,
Yo.
kill this nigga.
See that.
Kill this nigga.
See that.
This nigga
Who
just
is
took my
this?
book bag and my fucking guns. Kill this nigga, man.
What do you want, bro?
This nigga just took my fucking gun and my book bag right now, bro. Yeah, man.
He's giving
kill
it
this
back.
bitch
He's
ass
giving it
nigga.
back. Yo, what did you? Oh no. Yo, listen, he's back. Don't do it. Don't do anything with him. Don't do anything
Thank you,
with him. He is
C-Dot.
back.
Thank you,
No,
C-Dot.
I know who this is. I know who this is. Don't.
When you come into Australia, C-Dot,
Don't-
to come kill me.
don't do
I thought you were
anything.
gonna
Don't do
kill me.
anything. Don't do anything.
He's
Is
like
it a
some type of
mod-
fucking hacker. He got banned from this bitch, like permanently banned, and then he came back.
What's
Listen,
up with the fucking anti-cheat, bro?
Why are
Like this
you-
shit don't
No,
detect
no,
shit, bro.
he can't do nothing.
are you
They
stuck?
can't do nothing about that. He's a known hacker. He can spoof. He can get in. Don't matter if you even ban him. He can get back in. It doesn't matter.
But
Hey,
it's
hey.
crazy though. He remembers your fucking name.
No, because what I had said to him, I told him I spit on his fucking mother and I'll find where he live at, and then I dig up his grandmother and type shit. He's back.
What's his shit?
Corey's
What's his
back.
shit called?
C-Dot knows who I am now. He's done some research.
Corey JM, the nigga that I told him I spit on his fucking mother. Yeah, he just came back.
All their guns got removed when I respawn. All the guns are gone. Oh, but the backpack.
One of these niggas right here.
That's what they had in
Be
one
minded
backpack.
and shit.
1.6 million.
A jug. That nigga got banned. Hi, YouTube. Upload nothing. You don't be uploaded.
In today's video, I joined two gangs.
That nigga don't be uploading on his main account no more for real. He
That
need
I'm
to.
winning this race. Alright? Even everybody that's watching this right now on YouTube, your blood is winning this race, boy. Trust me. If you think so. Man, listen, bruh. Y'all don't even know what I got in my engine. Man, listen, bro. Like,
We gotta make
I'ma
shit
keep
like
it real
this.
with you. You're not winning, dog. All right, I got the fastest Hellcat on YouTube. On YouTube, boy. I'm about to cook you. Trust me.
I'm about to.
You don't even know what's in my engine, bruh. Bruh, listen, man. I ain't even gonna waste my time. Hey, yo, Bloods. Hey, we just gonna show him that I got the best Hellcat. Let's get it. Bruh, whatever. Hey, Crypto. Hey, cook him for breakfast, okay? Show his dead eye what you can do to him. He just don't know.
Mora.
Hey, we got fast cars over here, okay? Trust me, my brother. Man, y'all Bloods about to get embarrassed, bro. Trust me. Man, I ain't gonna even waste my time, man. Let's get it, bro. Slow ass Hellcat, bro. All right, watch this, bro. Watch this, man. Watch this. Whew. Whew. I don't think y'all ready. I don't think y'all ready for this. Sheesh. Let's get it. Let's get it, boy. Stop playing with me. Let's get it. Ah, damn. Come on. What the hell he got in his engine? Yo, what the hell this man got in his engine, bro? Come on, oh, damn. No. Oh, damn it. What I said, you potato crips, you criplets, you blue handicap. Hey, yo, hold on, bro. Hey, run that back, dog. Listen, nah, bro, you cheated. Run that back. I cheated? What? Homeboy talking about I cheated. Boy, I told you I got the fastest Hellcat. Nah, bro, nah. Let's run that back. You know, matter of fact, let's go to the highway.
Agent.
We're gonna stop by. The finish line gonna be at the damn, the chicken farm. Oh my goodness, chicken farm.
Really? That is far. Hey, Crypto, just give up. Okay, you lost, my brother. His car is fast. Let me call this man, bruh. Hold on. I'm gonna let him know when we're gonna start. Hey, yo, bruh.
Man, what the hell you calling me for?
Bruh, I'm trying to let you know where we gonna start at.
Okay, where we gonna start at?
All right, like soon we get to the highway, bruh. Soon we get to the highway, we starting.
All right. Hey, you don't gotta tell me twice. All I know is I'm gonna win. And if I win, I'm taking your car. You feel me?
All right, bruh. All right. I'll let you take it.
Okay, sounds like a plan to me. My Hellcat is faster than you, boy. Your car is slow. You might as well call it the dead eye.
All right.
Okay, we about to start.
Let's get it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answered to no, man, I still go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. Do the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, on the highway, and in the driveway. It's not the same, 'cause I'm not good at blind like Cocaine. Never hit the bitch, nah, I don't come again. Just gotta flip the switch and make it go to they be seeing me the negativity, but I just like that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 you got a mind, but even that could change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change.
I seen this. I was watching. I ain't dropped nothing. I seen that. It's all on my other channel. Bruh. Yo.
Nigga, you know there wasn't no security when you moved in here. And now I done forgot the next line. You little bitch. You. That's horse shit.
Wanna act so bad.
You ugly motherfuckers. Well, you better, cause I'm not taking no more excuses from you toenail biting bitches. You hear me?
Stop slamming my goddamn door.
Sorry, John.
Man, sit right here. I'll be right back. Niggas smoking East Side Mama. You talking a gang of shit. Just watch. A gang of shit. Watch this. Yeah, I'm back. I told that motherfucker he ain't shit if he couldn't run me to Kmart. Talking about he ain't have no gas. I said, motherfucker, you had enough gas to run your ass anywhere you wanted to go. Just standing there looking stupid as hell. And I just told him. I said, Smokey, your skinny ass need to do something for your mama sometime. He had the nerve to ask his own mama for gas money. Yes, he did. Talking about my car run on gas, not ass mama. Honey, get to the gas station and he want me to pump. Yes. And you know them fucking crackheads surround your car like roaches. I said, get the fuck away from me.
Hey, come on in here. I know you don't want to hear this shit.
What I did tell him was... Yes, I did. Yes, child.
You get your ass up and cook. Or clean up or do something. That's why Daddy left you.
No, this top flight security here, Dad. What? That's my dad, motherfucker. That's your dad.
I'm your daddy, boy.
I know it. I can't get it. Help me. Don't you got fucking lines or something? No. Yeah, you got lines about Santa Claus. Oh, that's right. We should cut, huh? No, let's do them right here. From Pinky, I ain't playing, nigga.
Nigga always shaking around with that pinky shake shit. Jerry, curl wearing motherfucker. Nugger. What the hell you
Bruh.
doing?
Hey, what's up, Mom?
You better get your big black ass up out here and find a damn job.
I ain't. Okay. Okay.
Some kind of fucking freak or something.
I ain't seen no TV in a while.
We'll go to the motel, you know, and get our freak on, you know, maybe you want to smell my punani. You all right?
Yeah.
Why don't you write your number down?
I got your number. I'll call you. I got it right here. Okay?
Well, can I get a goodbye kiss or something?
You don't want this shit. I done had it for 3 months. I don't know what the hell it is.
Oh, you right, 'cause I can't get sick 'cause I got to dance in a fashion show Sunday. You know, I be getting my groove on and see if I, you know, get sick, I might swell up or something. You know what I'm saying?
Was that a damn flu or something?
What you say?
You be careful. That's what I said. Okay?
You gonna call me?
I'm gonna call you. But don't ever come by. Okay?
You gonna call me?
I'm gonna call you. But if you come by, I won't call you. Okay?
Okay.
Don't ever come by.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Bye, Smokey.
This drug. Oh, girl. Oh, no, you didn't. Where you going with that?
Craig, them need some sugar.
His mama and daddy were. Put my sugar back in that kitchen. Did you hear what I said?
Mama.
No.
I love you.
I want you to put that sugar back in the kitchen.
Mama.
Get the sugar back in the kitchen.
Get back on the phone.
Don't you?
Get back on the phone.
Don't you walk out there. Nobody bring it back here. Yes! Girl, you get you.
You don't do what I start telling you to do. Opening these goddamn doors, you fat bastard.
Whatever, motherfucker.
Nuggle. I can explain. This ain't let's make a deal. Elroy, kick his ass.
Come on, bring him out. Let's do the damn thing. Fuck them little kids. Them kids probably ones got you out there stealing this shit. Yeah, little crack baby. You know what? Let's just think about this for a minute, y'all. Thought about it. Let me hit him first. And you got my Rolex. Yeah, it's fake anyway. Fake? No, I knew that was fake.
I knew you didn't spell Rolex R-O-L-L-X.
Yeah, damn, I ain't worried about Damon ass, man. We got bigger problems to worry about. Like what? Look at our apartment, man. Our shit towed back. Keeping my ass a virgin, that's the biggest problem we got. All clear, Chico. Yeah, whatever. Let's just go get dressed, man. Get ready for work.
You gotta wear that ugly ass uniform?
Yeah, well, let's get ugly. My neck is hurt, man. He grabbed me, grabbed you, What we gonna do about that, man? We gotta worry about this new job, man, of getting this rent money. We should sneak and kill him. Nah. You the reason we got fired from our last job. I was taking my lunch break that day. Mr. Johnson kept ringing that fucking buzzer. Y'all fucking make puppies. Oh, beat you. I want him to be on the run so he can lose some weight. What? What? I don't know what I was saying, Craig. Every dime, shit. We had about $400.
$400 in rent.
Nah, $600.
Here we go.
I'm trying to see what that be like right there. Look, be that. Look. You know what I'm talking about, man? Can I about none of that bullshit, man? What I'm gonna do with this motherfucker? I fucked up my line, man. No, see, you a jolly fat white guy. Me, he was way.
You're positive he was dressed like?
My rent money. Is that what you just said? Man, go sit your bitch ass down. We in a whole nother part of the scene. Shit. He took everything, officer. My rent money, man. When I'm supposed to come? He took everything, officer. He took my CD player. Fuck you, man. He took everything, officer. He took presents, CD player.
You guys got a big pile of shit in the middle of your bed back there. You might want to do something about that.
Yo.
Thank you. Yeah. You got a big pile of dog shit in the middle of your bed back there. You might want to check that out. Like.
Man, why you always coming up here harassing us with that shit? Yeah, smelling like old wolf pussy. You don't even own this place. No, you just the manager.
And I'm gonna manage to evict you again. Tell your fine, sweet dick daddy that I so farted that I said, hi. You motherfucker, you farted, didn't you? See, either you gonna come see.
You gonna what? I'm fucking you up, man. Chico dance. Chico with a dance. Chico with a dance. Chico with a dance. Chico with a dance. Hey, man.
Chico just tried to bust.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Fuck you doing here? Fuck you doing here?
Did you hear that?
Mama, stop playing. Oh, my parent. 7 to 9, I'll 7 to show. Hey, look here, player. I'm sorry about your situation, but I got to go pee-pee, baby. Shoot. I got
need some time to adjust.
I got to go pee-pee.
Nigga, are you serious?
I got to pee-pee. I ain't lying.
Oh, hell no.
Shit. Pee-pee.
Bro, yeah.
Oh, yeah. If you smell what the pimp is cooking. Oh, okay. Yo, Craig.
Hey, motherfucker, you late.
If you smell.
What is this motherfucker doing? Hey, look, Get y'all fat asses up and get out of here.
The party is over, and if we have to come here again, somebody's going to jail. Period.
See, you was acting like man, suck a fat baby's balls, man. This is our house.
I'll tell you something.
Damn, give me 2 minutes.
Yo.
2 minutes? The cops here. Come on, no. God damn.
Excuse me.
Shit. My dick is hard. I really can't get up, for real.
Bruh.
It smell like shit back here. Ride! God damn!
Come on, man, you can do that. I don't know do that shit Pinky do.
Is it Merry Christmas from Pinky? I ain't playing, nigga. You the reason we got fired from our last job. Oh, no, that was not my fault. That was Mr. Johnson's fault. It don't matter who fault it was. We still got fired because of you. Can I tell you what happened? I don't want to hear. Well, okay, well, shit, how you gonna know if you don't let me tell you what happened? You right. Top flight shit. Tell me what happened. Thank you. That's all I wanted to do was tell you what happened. Nerves! 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 Put all that fucking noise up, Mr. Johnson. What you making that noise for?
I want you to change my ass.
Yo.
I've been smelling like shit for the last 45 minutes. Where you been, dum-dum?
I've been on my lunch break taking a shit, doing the same thing you've been doing, but in the toilet. Shit.
Yeah. He called him shit. Yo.
Doing the same thing you've been doing, but in the toilet. Shit.
Bruh.
You supposed to come check on me before you go to take your lunch, dumb nuts.
Supposed to do shit.
I want a goddamn bath right now, you faggot-ass nerds.
Yo.
Oh, you want a bath? I'll be right back. Come on.
You can't type in chat. What you mean? Yo.
Wait a minute. She ain't bet yet. Man, she was supposed to bet it without that.
He scrubbed, he washed me so for you. Some of them ain't right.
Oh, how them nuts feel? Just got them balls washed, black motherfucker. That's it. That's it. Hey, man. Hold on, Mr. Johnson. Wait a minute.
Yo.
And that's what happened, man. And if he wouldn't have jumped on me, we'd still have our jobs. No, if you just kick back and watch your temper, we still have our job. Action.
Fun.
Don't look. Don't smile. Action.
What's up, Vortex? This video right here. Hold up. Give me 1 second.
Looking for this bunker. Should be pretty cool. It's a command bunker. Might have some stuff inside. Definitely an interesting location. Shit.
You think you'll fit that in there?
Maybe. Couldn't they cut 2 bars down? I see the dog, and the dog sees us.
Where is he?
Down there.
He's looking at us?
Yeah.
What?
Sure, I'll keep an eye on the dog.
I don't want to get stuck in here, man. So I cannot, like, unscrew it from here.
Okay, let me try. Oh, no way. No way. I think we should move. Okay, sadly I didn't film it. We got out by milliseconds as we were focused on squeezing in. My friend noticed that the dog was actually halfway up the hill towards us. We scrambled to get over the fence and he was right there next to us. We barely got out. So we're good. Gonna try something else now. Go into some tunnels now. I think they're bunker related. I'm not very enlightened on this object, but should have power. Not sure though. Hopefully not the dogs. Yeah.
This has another entrance, so don't worry.
Alright. I'll catch up, you can go.
What is this? Yo, look like a game.
I don't know. You're the one who's leading.
I don't think we'll open it.
It's locked. Another bust. We got one more
Break that
bunker.
little shit.
That one is a bit more remote. Territories not abandoned. These people should be walking there. Maybe it's not locked.
Hell yeah, like this is interesting, bro. What the fuck? They ready to go in there?
So this bunker is apparently a big one. Aircraft station or something. It's gonna be interesting. I have very vague knowledge about it. The biggest hope is that we can get in there, because we just came from a couple unsuccessful ones. This one has quite a few entrances. We're gonna check all of them, of course. Regarding the security, I have no clue. It is quite in the middle of nowhere, so it's not protected.
A bunker? They better find that, get that
Everything
shit,
okay?
seal it up, make sure they can. They better just like take it over and own it, just in case some shit go down.
Not gonna shine too
And
much.
have
Here
somewhere
we are,
good to go.
Currently in some territory.
Nobody else is doing that. You know I wouldn't feel right just being the only light in the middle of nowhere.
There's a car.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah. Yeah, it's right there. Somebody's definitely in that building. You think we can get in through here? Yes.
Don't go in there. Turn that light on.
Fuck, man.
Yo.
Oh, fucking hell.
Oh, fuck.
There is no way.
Yeah, but we can stay here. It's just another entrance there.
Okay, just wait, I'll come.
That's scary, bro. I'm scared. Why is that like that? What the fuck?
These wires are not making it easy.
They brave for doing shit like this
Fucking
too.
hell. That looks horrible. It doesn't look like it has been open for a while. Oh shit.
It can't be opened.
But you think it's the outside?
Yes, it's outside.
Shit. There is only one other way.
Other side?
No, the ventilation. There's one other way, but we didn't want to do it because it's sketchy. On the top of the bunker, there is a ventilation that we could see inside, and it's open. It's a 3 to 4 meter drop, though, with only one of these wires hanging off. So technically, this could hold. They're a bit thicker there. But who's gonna find out, you know? Okay, I'm gonna go back.
Man.
Broken lock on the door.
Oh shit.
On the left, yes.
Nice.
What?
Okay, and we need to go deeper.
What the fuck? That is deep. You first.
Scary, bro.
There is something.
Sweet. Oh, that's the cables.
Yes, there is cable. We go in here.
Okay, I'm climbing.
Inside of
Bro. Who makes stuff like this?
Yes.
Welcome, bro. Finally.
Bro.
What the fuck is this?
Red light?
It's like light switch. The antenna is up there. It doesn't make any sound or lights, so it doesn't work. No worries, bro.
Shit.
Yo!
What the hell? We came through the ground.
I don't know if this is a light switch or what is it?
This is a key card reader.
Okay.
A card reader for doors.
Oh my god. Oh, hell no. Oh, nah. No. Nah, hold up, bro. That low key scared me. No. Nah, I gotta run that back, bro. Everything was on.
A card reader for doors.
Hell no, I would not go there. No, not by my damn self neither. And not at nighttime, no.
Let's close it, come on. Let's go. Cut the light. Let's go down through here.
Yo!
Okay, so we waited like 30 minutes. Nobody came. We're gonna try again. Maybe go further under the floor. Not trigger the alarm.
What the? They're wildin'.
What?
The alarm is off.
Yeah, the alarm is off.
Why would y'all go back? Bro, this shit is tough. I'm so tired of it. There's some brave soldiers.
I don't think we can go farther.
It's still alive, what do you mean?
No, I don't think so. There's nothing more, it's a wall. Okay. I do not believe we can get into that bunker without triggering the alarm again. I think we either leave or just trigger it again for fun. Okay. Oh yeah, no problem. So is this?
Yo.
No one was here, because if someone was here, we will repair the floor, I think.
Yeah. There's beer, all the keys. This is all we got. If we go into the hallway, we can trigger it again. There is a door blocked, so maybe we can go to the left way.
Maybe on the left there is another one.
Yeah. We have to see, and then most likely we'll run again.
Yo, they got so scared.
I don't see anything. Just empty. I want to film all of it.
Put on it.
Yeah, it's right there. It's new.
Yes, now it's on.
Shit.
Why is there not like alarm?
Nice. Okay, what about this? Come here.
It's not that. Yes, and just reach the door.
Yeah. Okay, just try to crawl. On your stomach, try to crawl. Yeah. Slower, slower.
Another one.
There's another one. Shit. Let me try to crawl behind that door. This is so stupid. Okay, I'm gonna go further.
There are two sensors.
Yeah.
One in the corner and one like looking in the hallway. And I think that second one is active.
You good. Let's try this door.
What's that? Oh, that's the huge room.
Wait.
Yes, this is the huge room.
Careful, might be sensor up there in the left corner. Above your head right there.
No. Yes. You can check sensors.
This is off.
Wow, bro. Oh, there are more lights.
Bro.
No sensor here, I think.
The maps and everything. The milk jug. Okay.
No way.
This is the second floor.
Holy shit.
Look a bit older.
This is where the power noise is coming from.
See? There is something behind the glass.
Maybe we can turn on the maps, you know?
You can.
They can light up.
Very good. Turn them on.
What the fuck?
Server stuff. Air conditioning.
Like say.
There could be. There's definitely a sensor in this room.
Yes, there is.
Let's go back. This is all underground. Hard to comprehend.
But the calendar 2015.
Oh shit, yeah.
Underground.
Yeah, it's 2015. Okay, we're going to try to go a little bit down the hallway. Maybe it's gonna lead even deeper in the ground. When he crawled to the other side of the door of the hallway the first time, he ended up in this.
We need to get out of
aircraft
there,
hangar.
bro.
That's the aircraft part of this bunker. That has a sensor. There's no.
I'm scared for him.
Oh, I don't think it will see us.
Maybe there's another one.
That's just the exit and there's a sensor.
Okay. Oh, it's the power room. Well, that's pretty much it, right? Because if we're not going up, and we cannot go past that other sensor, we can't go any further. We made it out safe. Such a fun mission and multiple stories of offices. It's all underground. They're staying, lighting with electricity. It's so cool. Tired, dirty, but happy.
That's crazy. Bruh. Oh
yeah, they're like right here.
What's that?
Nice. So I'm thinking on this floor we just need to go a bit forward.
Yes, you must just go inside and it's fine.
Yeah, let's just go forward. Finally. Sick. It didn't take that long.
Huh?
Tallest building around. Sweet. A bit higher now.
It's all slippery out there, so.
Yeah.
Here.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, there is water.
Oh, it's not that bad. Hey.
They are bugging. I won't be up there. Why is my stomach tingling? Get down. Yup.
close. There was a police car right there.
Bro.
There's people there. So my friend told me he's somewhere in that construction site right now. Which is interesting because I think it's still working. Cool old place. It's a weird building. It doesn't really have an edge.
Bro. Bro.
How low can we go?
Bro, my stomach tingling. Get the fuck up there. Go. Bugging. That's crazy. Oh, hell no.
While driving through the state of New Jersey, we noticed a long driveway leading to a house that seemed to be abandoned. This once thriving mansion was hiding secrets that would shock the community. In 2018, this home was thrust into the spotlight when a police raid revealed a disturbing reality. The man who called this place home was an unemployed recluse living inside the attic of his elderly mother's home, trapped in a web of his own making. One day, authorities received a tip on the man's secret operation, and inside, police would uncover a staggering 79 marijuana plants flourishing in the attic. But that was just the beginning. They found an arsenal of weapons, machine guns, handguns, and nearly $7,000 in counterfeit money, tools of a life lived on the edge, a life that spiraled into chaos. His actions would lead him to a 6-year prison sentence, but the cost was far greater. After his arrest, his elderly mother passed away, leaving this house to decay with everything still inside. So join me today and let's see what's left.
Damn.
What's up guys, it's Big Banks. We're back again for another episode. Today we are heading inside of an abandoned mansion. This place we just found so randomly today, and it is very, very cool. There's a lot of stuff inside, a lot of weird things, and yeah, you guys are going to be in for a treat. This is a really cool one. I'm excited to take you inside. I'm with Camera Bex, and this is I think only location number 2 of this trip, but it's very, very interesting. We're gonna get into it, and hope you guys enjoyed the history behind this. It's a little bit of an interesting story, but now we're gonna go inside. We're gonna check it out. Let's look around the outside and let's see what this place looks like. So as you guys can see, I am currently in the backyard, and it snowed recently out here. Look at this giant pool. The cover is obviously starting to deteriorate. Leaves are all piled up in here, and it looks like we even have a hot tub on that part right there. Even goes all the way around. I gotta be careful, this looks like ice. Yeah, it is ice. Looks like it goes all the way around over here to a diving board. What a cool diving board. This is a huge pool, guys. Like, this is one massive pool. And the house almost feels like a cabin in a way, the way it's set up. So if we walk around, we'll see we got some good, beautiful trees out here, these evergreen trees. And we just make our way onto the back porch here. You can see it's all actually brick out here. We have a staircase that I believe might lead up to the master bedroom with this wooden siding. Very neat little house. You can see there's places for flowers all along this balcony up here. And check it out. You even have a sunroom. And it looks like the door's just wide open. So let's go check it out. Take our first steps inside. You can see it's all glass everywhere. Really nice. The elements are kind of coming in. Almost looks like some kids have come here and had their way with it a little bit, but hopefully it's not too bad. We got a screen door that leads right into the kitchen there, which looks pretty wild. So let's see what else is in here. We have a whole sink. Looks like some stuff for fixing and whatnot. Really neat little sunroom here. Not much left behind. This looks like it was a table, but the top is gone. And you kind of just left with this. So we're gonna make our way into the house. Whoa. Big ass house. So now we enter into the kitchen, and the kitchen actually smells really bad. And I think it's because this fridge over here, which we're not going to be able to open today, guys, but we're going to be able to see that it does have stuff in it. Like, it's really moldy and whatnot, but there's some stuff in that fridge. It's probably full. I don't know what the deal is with this house. Of course, we already know the history in the beginning, but first time being here, I'm not really sure what happened, why it's left in this condition, but this kitchen reeks. It smells so bad. And look at that. You have this. How many burners is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 burners there. On this big island here with this nice tiling. And I believe this is like a 70s kind of feel, because when you're over here, there's like a bench right here.
That's tough.
That's very interesting. I didn't even realize the kitchen had a big skylight in it too. As we turn, we see the brick fireplace. And there is some graffiti in here, so it looks like kids have come in here and kind of had their way. Can you imagine? This place at one point was completely frozen in time. Some of it still is, but you know, sometimes when the wrong people figure it out, where places are, they get kind of destroyed. So let's go back over here to this side. Look at some of the features this has. This is a Jin Air. It looks like a fryer. Yeah, it's for frying. Looks like the kids didn't get to these cups here. All still stacked really nicely. The sink is a red sink. All the glasses are still in that cabinet there. Big skylight above us. And this is just wrecked. I mean, look, but all the pots and pans and everything are left behind here. Check it out. I think this will be the first room we enter, which looks like the main living room. Oh, check it out. Still got a big couch here. There's some graffiti. It's got this like yellow old carpet in here. And this is like kind of a really large room, to say the least. It's got this like yellow old carpet in here. And this is like kind of a really large room, to say the least. And they have a long, actually it looks like looks like a 2-piece or 3-piece sectional here of this couch. It's very beautiful, but there is some graffiti on it, unfortunately. Looks like there's paint that got messed up there at the top, and that nice molding. You can see that up there. You can tell this place would have been a really nice home at one point. I have a weird thing with graffiti. Like, I like to see places that are like completely destroyed, almost like ruins, covered with like artistic stuff. This is just ignorant. This is like children, like teenagers that think, oh, this is just funny. It's not funny. It's cringy. It looks really weird. It's gross. It's vile. It's just hateful, because some of these things that are written on here are very bad, and I can't stand that kids think this is just funny. I think they can come in these houses and just destroy them like this and write these terrible things on the walls. So I don't understand it. Either way, we're not worried about the graffiti. We're looking at the house and what's left behind. So let's check out what's all left still. Whoa, check it out. Whoa. I thought this was a carpet, actually. Well, a rug, but this is a blanket. And it looks Christmas themed. Got 3 angels on it, like ornaments.
What y'all doing, man?
Everything of that sort.
I ain't gonna lie, your boy tired.
Oh, check this out. This is the main staircase. It's like this nice double staircase.
Think tomorrow,
70s for sure.
I'm gonna still
And
drop
this
me a
would've been
game in
the front
video.
door.
And then we back.
Check
on
out the
some
floor in here.
reactions. You feel me?
It's like this crazy tiling. Takes
I ain't
4
about to take
pieces
my
to make
sleep
the
before I
same
go
shape
sleep on live.
on all of this. This is really neat. Typically I see this kind of flooring in like
Really
Italy.
good.
This is really neat. Typically I see this
What the
kind
fuck is
of
that?
flooring in like Italy or like France or something. But we are in America right now, so it's pretty cool to see. The staircase looks really cool. Still got that old like 70s style carpet. We're gonna take another look at this. Let's move over here though. I believe this was the dining room.
Get off there, man.
And it is
Love
very
your stream, man.
trashed.
I got some videos
Looks
up.
like they just tore everything apart in here. The table is
Make sure
actually
y'all
still
go
here.
Watch them if you want to hear. 3 videos. I'm gonna holler at y'all tomorrow, bro.